Hey, Besticle.
Eh. What?
No, you're not here to say, hey, Besticle, you didn't answer me.
Girl.
What?
No. So what one?
Not a thing, girl. Me just there. Me did come from my mother yard.
Eh?
Yes. Yeah, cause me did go over there and did jot some grass and use my shit chop out some from the front tire. Cause I don't want to grow and take over the house.
Oh, so when she come?
Girl, I have no idea. May I call him off to tell him say one of the zinc round at the back room blow off because me don't know how that possible, but it blow off though. I tell him say in there wet up, so me put piece of tarpy over it. And may I call her to tell her that so that she can send somebody to come and fix it and she not answering the phone.
Maybe she busy. I come.
If he might come, no man, if he might come, he would have must have to tell me.
No, he would have surprised you.
Mommy didn't even know which part that they live to come surprise me. So you get to know?
Yeah.
Yeah. But I first may ever call him and he not come through. Me I want there for something doing my work or something another. Cause anything can happen, you know.
Me no know.
Me no know either. Anything can happen.
See what is father, your girl.
Oh. No way they will tell me about him for.
Yo, miss. We not talk to you, you know. Yo, Calabash head. You may talk to where sister there?
Me sure know so me not have calabash head, so me not even go answer you.
Why you out of the yard?
Because I can come out. I'm coming up from my mother yard. Me they go check
so
up
who send you down there? You don't see you down there bush up?
A free will. Me go chop out the bush them there because I don't want to take over the house. So when she come, I can go there too.
Stand up, me talk to you. You stand up too. Come here, son. Me talk to you.
Most I come and some man a come for in and chatting.
Listen.
Listen me now. See the reason why me tell you to turn up? Because when me talk to them, like, we see on the height when me talk to them, height of respect. Me don't mean like that height. Say, go down back. You know, your mother will let me send your mother and for your other sister mother go find, right?
Again? You come with it again?
We send them over there to make some money and then send some little chump change come. Me still thank God for it still. Cause it stop a gap. Me I try to call your mother, me not get to your mother.
Guess what? I'm calling her too and I'm not getting to her. I do not know why.
From the last time I tell your mother say.
Sometimes I'm tired of you. I just want some peace. Every minute I call her phone and I call her about money. Money. I not give she none.
Right. You might take everything before a man can go look work.
Oh, that's you walk around and tell people.
I walk around and tell nobody. Me feel like it stink around.
People like them, yeah?
Yeah, people like them. It will spread faster that way there.
Listen me know why you come between me and my daughter.
When our mother come a court thing for care all you. Yeah man, what this father?
I work this father now, give them 2 woman money, them 2 baby mother money, send them go foreign. Figure make money, right?
Not every day I call woman,
Not every day.
Every hour. This hour you done, you call me next hour. After you do it.
You have a problem with that?
Make it man, give you man.
If you did know how to clean out your fall cup good, man would have run you down.
You know what no man cleaning.
Man would have call on your phone. I have to call on my baby them phone. I have to call the 2 of them. So after me chat to one, after me call the next one. Hey baby, you alright? How work? Good? Yeah, picking them out. Stress me out, you can send me money, yeah.
Too bad me no want none for you call on my phone.
Right, good girl.
Too bad me no want none for you call on my phone.
Open back your mouth over this when me attack. I'll give you a gladiator. You. You see, if you want my daughter part with you, make sure you have sense.
You have sense?
They always say,
sense come from where sense come from.
They always say, when time you walk with somebody who done so than you, you're not going to reach far in life. But that's true.
Me dear?
I walk with her every day and I feel like I'm not reaching no neither. So.
Who the backside you call done?
You.
Look for me good. Eh? Who you call done?
Don't let me need to repeat myself. You see me tell you, you're not only a dunks, but you're deaf too.
When me used to go to school, you know what me get?
Not but you're deaf, but you're illiterate too.
What do you mean by literate?
I just say you're done. Someone think you have a topping eyes.
Me think you have to take a little time with the illiterate self and go up the road.
So a fool you call me? A fool you call me? A fool you really turn up just to call me in our indecent word? Eh? A fool you call me? Look on you too, but you call people fool. Look on you. Me a big man, me not argue with little skebby. You hear? Yeah, just,
Get walkless kebe. You live off the biggest word.
yes, right. Me daughter, walkless skebby.
Yes.
You call yourself. You
No,
tell me
no.
about yourself. You tell me about
What you say
yourself.
she a want me daughter? Walkless skebby.
No, what you are what? You tell me about yourself. So you tell me say you what this kebe. Me know. You
Which
not
one me
have to
daughter?
tell me.
No, she?
You have to say I walkless kebe.
Me?
Yeah, cause you only thing where you go to do a call pan phone and beg money. They will people on TikTok, they will beg so much.
I'm skebby.
Boy, me I tell you, babe.
What happened?
I miss out a road, you know. I miss road.
No head be one day. One day soon. Remember me tell you.
Boy, me I tell you.
But you want ask you. For me can lock off your phone for your daughter and your baby father.
Because remember saying, you know, me get the food, right? Then believe some me there for him. Next thing, me nah no money for send go give him. Me nah no money for send go give me that, you know. Cause me no know if you gonna have no money, so me have to lock off my phone.
You shouldn't do that
You know?
though. You should have to communicate with them same way. All when they know. Tell them say nothing and go on favor for it. Things slow. Then we understand. Suppose them feel say something happen to you.
Me feel you realize say 1 year and 5 months me there, so no.
Me understand that. But that not say if you lock off your phone.
Why?
You go left your daughter for your fret right now wonder what happened to mommy.
Well, me afraid pan her too, you know, but you know how you go. But I don't know if you have no money weekend when me can send go give them if you get no money or what. And you have to tell me what is it, but me have to lock off my phone.
Alright, me go make you know what is it.
Cause me know when time they call a money.
I'll make you know what go on. No worry ahead. Probably weekend me can make you send something go give them. So turn on your phone by weekend. If me get through the money, come get piece of money, you know. So just go on brace till weekend.
Alright. Well, me I go do that.
Girl, me not like how you follow back on me. You come like one little piece of something.
But daddy, some for father, you remember you had the bigger one.
Me no business, you're not big enough to turn in a yard. Me no never
So?
let me go yard chill back on me.
Some for father, you can my sister.
No, turn up here there. Really, girl. What go on?
One girl. That's what I wanna know.
No, girl, we just existing. Yeah, same girl, same. I don't know where I go. Eh? What?
How make you have a sister back at you?
Me never want him back on me. Ask him why in the back on me.
So wait, your sister. Me can't follow her. Remember she had the bigger one. Girl, I don't have to juke out your eye. Tap look for me. Girl, when me can carry a sister, you know something
never want.
we can't really bother with them. Look a picnic back at me.
Girl, me
I
didn't.
lower down my standards.
Girl, me
Sure.
didn't want to carry.
Girl, you have to go
I
fix
feel
up me.
walkless papa. I come like saying they over there and don't want. You having one up something. He don't want time with him because something.
Brother, my God, man. You sure see your sister?
Me not sure, cause me don't know. We got different mothers, so me don't know. Ah, girl, I'll fool father. We mother them there for a work, you know. I him sit down over there like the big Paul black daughter, black head.
Me even not go there so with him, because me not like him for money.
Me not really like for me to cause him I tell you so I have to follow back on me before I enter with the email on.
You can't stay in the house.
No. Me I say, ain't big enough fit in the house. I don't know what doing.
Tell your father say me see her up, man.
Girl. No rich this way. You all the copy me. I don't think daddy I go believe. All him just sit down over there before he work and elevate him. So he don't do none of that. He just sit down on him body every day. If he not there pan body in there road. He's one in there road. You know me feel like he have woman out the road though. Cause we money them sharp, you know.
Stop tell like panda the but at least food in the house. Don't tell me shut up, stop tell like.
Girl, shut up now.
Stop tell like
Can't
panda.
chat. That's why I don't want to care back at me, you know.
Them a stop me up on road. Post somebody that
Embarrassing.
You
Embarrassing.
with the argue with it. You try to box him in the face.
Me no. Listen, all him, when mommy send money, you know, I feel like say man shorten it to a little bit amount of money what we get. I feel like him man shorten money and take half
yeah,
up
so where mad? Give me everything I man.
Yeah.
Like him not forget what can go so? What can go so? What can go so? Tell me what can go so?
Girl.
What can go so? Little girl. No go on, you can't come on my business, please. So I just argue. I sit down and want a little meds. And the two one want argue. You know say me your friend. Me you know say me your friend. Girl, nobody argue with you. When you go just busting your ass.
No, do that stifle me, I go stifle it.
Kill him.
No, but I know that, man, I know that.
But you tell like how you for shut up, mommy said money. And talk about say, daddy I take everything so we daddy not take half my money.
You know, go look work, a big man. Girl,
stop
arguing.
Look at girl, go on.
You know.
You're mentally, you're something wrong with you, brother.
Some know some had. One and some if you want to see you. Shut your ear when you all look, man. Shut your ear.
One side button a big
No, I see you. No. Go on in the yard, look a girl, cause you're a big disgrace.
Yeah, tell people go in the yard.
Oh, gosh.
Come here, turn up your son. More the high, so you're looking at my face, so you know I'm serious. Come here, son. Tell us, son. You see, THIS, what that spell?
What?
THIS, what that spell? This. You see this?
How we call this?
That.
How we call that?
That.
Me call it that?
Me no business. You see that? Look here. Daddy, talk to your little right now, you know, because he come in a pain, a pestle, and a crosses in my life. Take him out. Talk to him for follow what coming. Yeah?
Listen me.
What?
When you're going on the road, right? And you ask me if you want to go on the road, the only way you can go on the road, you know, under my eye watch is if your little sister is
Me
there.
want him back on me. Him a what? Where my watch?
Protect you.
How am I going to protect me and the little lad?
You like to want to protect yourself.
No. Me can't protect myself. I'm no business about him. Me can't turn in a yard. I'm tired of him.
What your problem? What happened?
Everywhere I go. He make problem with everybody.
You have a problem with nobody on the road?
No. I follow a good on our friend, and our friend talk about everywhere she a go me the back car.
And a lie, everywhere me in the back of me.
So your friend them better than your sister?
Yeah, by far.
Your friend them ban better than your sister ban?
Yes, by very, 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 very far.
You listen what you say?
After me like that, I don't see what I say, I know what
You know what is blood, right? You know what is blood?
Definitely not him and you.
Me I chat to you.
Stop flip me. Every time I
Bible
just
say,
do.
don't put your... Come
Yeah.
Come down.
Yeah, hear what they say, respect go both ways. If I don't respect them, no, turn up and look in my face.
But you're bright though.
But enough do who invite you?
But if you beat your
invite
too
you?
bright.
Who invite
You're too
you?
bright.
Look here, girl. Lock your face.
You
Delete
shut
yourself. Delete
You're
yourself.
too
Hello,
bright.
Stop lick me.
Yeah,
Come out of sister
Daddy, let me
argument.
check
Come
your
out your
chocolate
business in
car.
a full fight.
I'm me the man of the house, right?
Which
Me
one?
the father of the house, right? Me make sure me feed you know.
No.
Clothes.
I'm mommy money by them, I no fear.
But that
I know
not
you
a
make
food till
sure
then
nothing,
us.
Ask me how you know mama reach your foreign.
Me no business I want reach
Me
the door.
sacrifice oneself to send them go there.
You're
Me give
lucky.
them all the money that I got to go work.
I had they are suffer.
Right?
What are you there tell me?
But them would have still there if him did gone.
Me no business all the better. And that's why
But
I
me
go and
coulda
come
did
so.
go foreign.
So who tap you?
Because no I'm better for the two of you. Me send on the mother Gone now.
So they want better you go work and send money come and it away.
Farmer, me send them for dinner.
So you better if you did go there.
Run a half. I got married over there. How long now since you there without a mother?
About 5 years, some of them remember.
Right, actually 7 years, about 5 years. Actually 7 years now. I mean, they are better with them in the first 3 years.
So I feel for job.
And you come here bright up yourself.
What they figure do? Call and go look work. And them they want to do.
Yeah, because one if you go look where you can come mine your father.
Baby crocodile, shut up. I'm tired of
And you if you go look where you can come mine him.
I can't work.
Nice.
I'm not man.
Yes, so if you go and go look where you can come in, come mine him and give him money for put in a pocket.
You're fed, I know.
Yeah.
Me realize say you're fed. You're full of too much
That's
fed
why
up
I'm not your friend.
Me don't like you either. I'm a fuck.
That's why you're not picking friend, because you always say friends like these who needs enemy.
Right. Amen. Go on in.
Amen with what?
Remember.
With sister like this, I'll have a
You don't need enemy because at least we are telling me the truth.
Send me now. Send me now.
At least me tell the truth. And you won't chat too much.
Me kin up my body give me.
You want me? Right. Now up on the road. Oh boy.
Oh, they turn a father. Stop there. What make you not make your little daughter stay in the yard? Everywhere the big one there have the little one that follow back him like a rat. Make the girl send me in the yard, man. I want to look up pitney in and if they up on a road up and down with big people. Cause me and Ken and Natty, we can't go enjoy ourselves, We can't even sit down and hold one decent conversation without the little girl. And one time she out and then real up to you need to keep an eye upon her. You have your time, you have her to follow back a Ken like a rat.
Look at the time. 1:23, right? You're not even say good afternoon. And you expect somebody to chat here while you attack? Let me tell you something, bagaboo. My two people then come first, yeah? Yes, my two people then when we have, there might be different mother, same father done business. But anyway, we love them equally. Blood is thicker than water, so if it's just a water, love them alone.
Well, let me make you know this. Me and Ken friend for 5 years. One little wannabe, one little just come rat can't come mash up for me and for your friendship. You can't talk about blood and water and one bag of something. Well, me and her are blood. It may be blood, but we are blood.
What kind of blood? Your blood is bad blood.
What the little man? Before if she never just come here, would have been me and Ken. So why you push me aside and I let her in? Just show she just come. Oh.
You know what I feel like, say? Uno young girl nowadays, uno feel like uno in control of everything. Uno wanna be young girl. Wanna be, cause I wanna be. Uno stress out on the parents. Uno pitney.
Me?
Yes, uno.
Where they?
Uno.
Come at me and you talk now. Come at a decent conversation. What me I stress out my parents with now?
As uno get 14, uno and put on tattoo.
You see me have a tattoo? Which papa me
Me can't see through the marina. Me can't see through the marina. As uno is 14, uno and put on tattoo. And that they only use as bypass, so only can put on other more. Like how me see one little girl with him mother name, don't understand him mother, birth of, what you call it?
Birth.
Yeah, and she's just 15.
What not of your business?
Yeah, she's just
me
15.
Me a big girl. Me a 17.
I don't give a damn how much, cause you know, adult until you're 22. That's the time that you realize.
First of all, me know the law. You see, once me reach 18 and I get an ID, I am a big woman because every big people have an ID. So once me get an ID, I am a big woman.
You see what you going wrong now? Let me tell you something. And everybody you see with the ID is big enough. Because someone still live under the mama roof.
Well, alright, let me make this
yes, when
now.
you're adult and you're a big woman, is when you have your own space, your own car, your own house, a job. You don't have a job, you sit down here at daytime. That is not...
You don't sit down here every day. You know nothing about me. I help out the old woman, Miss Polly, down there. And get $10,000 a week.
You see, Uno?
So my good Sylvians. And sometimes me and Kane go take a walk, go down there, go check the old lady, and the little rat that they back him come.
Ain't going forever back him until she leave my house.
The little rat that the woman no one bag crowd in our house.
You see, if your mother did they have our next picnic, you'd have company. You see, if your mother did nyam the belly, you'd have our next one.
Well, in my fault, she only want one child, but she have to nyam the rest of belly.
All for me nigga, we breed your mama. Your mama nyam the belly.
Been around, she no want a bagger.
That's why I should have you in nyam.
That's why you should have keep your something there, the one place. You walk in they all over the place. That's why you have to get another rat.
You don't have bad mind them.
Bad mind them for what? What they have what I don't have? True, they have it too. Yeah, it look like Kenna like the rat. It look like Kenna like the rat. Kenna don't care. As a matter of fact too, me all see around and want look how ends washing off it there. And if you put a like cage
mind your mouth, you know.
and lock her up.
Any day, me can my pitney go a doctor, my pitney still a virgin. Me sue you for every word when you spread.
Me say, who a virgin? That the little rat there can't virgin cause I see her down and want ends and if you watch your rat.
Mind your mouth. That's all me can tell
Me
you.
don't talk with you.
All
Watch
right.
your rat. Cause
All
you
right.
need to one cage pan and
You
pan.
know it's over here.
Again, girl. Me didn't even have to look up for no say I did that.
Father, make it give me.
I don't really care. Let it go. Nyam too much, man.
Yeah, at least me name too much, but you and I them food. Cause you looking if you eat food, forget look body, girl.
No wrong with how me look. Me nyam food, but me have fast metabolism, so I break down quickly and go right back to.
Cause you look.
No wrong with how me look.
Name food. I pay very good yam.
Don't really care. My mother send the most money and I yam me most and I this year.
And I don't care because you not name no food.
No, look at $20 or $30 where your mother send. The thing them they can't do nothing. Them they can't feed you. Them they can't feed you. Them they can't do no at all, man.
At least she has sent something.
My mother send the most.
Me know my mother up there, though. That's why she has sent a bit of money. At least she has try to send money where she knows she can reach to me.
Oh, man send and she reach to me too.
So you take your food from where you go to make it stay there, sir?
Yes, when me hungry, me
Me go near me eat it because you can't eat it. Because if me can't eat it, you can't eat it. So none of we can't eat it in here.
Oh, bet na.
Bet.
Alright.
We are going to
Pass me. Pass me. Abby, me look at that. Come on, want to chop me in my head. Girl, you see if your name where your name, if your mother push you out from where she push you out from, pass me so I go take up that and go name me. You see me no chop up on your mouth here.
Alright, bet. Bet me no.
Girl, look here. You better go find a papa and come for out here, no? Hey, find a papa and come for out here. You see if you have a little hole, come out, man. Move.
No, girl, I want you, look, girl.
Go find your papa, man, and go. Find your papa.
Pull back this na yawa.
Hey.
Pull back the door, me I tell daddy.
No.
Pull back the door, me I
no
tell
business.
daddy.
Go where you go,
Now
girl.
look for daddy and tell him.
Me no business. Go where you go.
Yeah, they pull back the door,
Girl,
right
go
to
where
daddy
you
and me
go,
I
girl.
tell him.
Me no business. Go on. Hurry up.
I go tell daddy. Hello, good evening. Yes, my father pass right here, sir.
Like mother like daughter, like sister, like everything, like father like daughter.
So why you say that?
Look girl. No you yard for there. Look rat.
I ask you a question.
We are question big girl like me if you there in a yard.
Yes, I'm asking if
We
you
want your father,
yes or
we
no.
want your father pass your suffer.
I want to tell him something.
You want to tell him something now go come over your yard.
I want to tell him before he reach my yard.
Why? Say you should have seen out your gate front and wait for him. You come a road street,
That's
little
why I'm asking
girl.
if you see him.
No, you think your sister decided me box you down, eh?
Oh, I'm here go war out of this.
Oh, cause you not have no manners. Me don't know where your mama get it from.
She get in front
Through you
of
want
me.
roam street, I feel like you can't trick me. Through you want roam street. Make you come ask me, say if your father out there, that's you want to know which side to take.
Yeah.
Cause me see upon one ends, you know, and me tell your father about you, you know, say it's no good. You just watch them, that's you can't do what you want, though. Look, girl, go on in your yard, can't have nothing about you.
And you know,
Go take up your book.
You know,
Go
people
take up
sharp.
your book.
Go you look. You shots can't
You're
fit
too
you.
post ripe.
Are you
Yeah,
too
post
force
ripe,
right?
look, girl.
Get your little
You're
slippers.
not
Go you look.
Look at you.
At least
look better than you, Alex, my clothes. Girl, yeah, look how you carry yourself
You're supposed to
decent.
be white and it brown. Look how you
That's how it go.
I said go.
Yes.
You said it was steel, baby girl. I want a
My hairstyle steel.
Oh, my ear. My
Look
ear.
at go on your yard, yeah. Go on your yard.
Don't touch me. I forgot your yard.
No, no, no,
I'm going to my yard. Tell your waist. No time for everyone.
No, man. I say, but the female sister, you sound like you see.
We don't want to know. We don't really want to know where you do out of yard. Where you do out of yard. You know, say make really right. Where you do out of yard.
Daddy, me say macaroni and cheese you cook give me this morning.
Me I tell you, talk to me. Yes, me I talk to you.
Can I take you away from me?
Come here, son.
And say, me not fi eat. Me I eat down the place. And say, oh, for your mother, I say more money than my mother.
So
that's why I come out of the house because me I look for your daddy. Daddy, me not take this daddy.
me did tell you, say, if you come out of yard, no matter what, why you never sit down in the yard and wait for me? Why you never wait for me? Then come out of the yard. Suppose anything that we have, army police are John. Army police are going to look for. You hear me say? Army police are going to look for. You think of nobody else police are going to look for? Me. You understand what I say?
Yes, daddy.
So next time don't do it again. I mean, matter of fact, you know what? When we go there, go adjust her now. Because you see me now, me not deal with foolishness. Me have blood. You might not be the same mother, but you have one. You
Yeah,
have
lock door for me for daddy.
lock door for you.
Yes, daddy. And talk about say my body if I take up the food, she could beat me up.
Lock door for you.
Yes, daddy.
Alright. Oh, you watch. I'm going to show you how door lock pan. Go on. Before me have to whap you. You go on. You see, right now, come. Yes, it's good for job. But you say, could I touch me, Pierre? Then I'll up here. I'll go pick it on the tree.
I feel up here. And the argument there, I feel.
Now, me pick it on the tree.
But your brother do, daddy, you share deal with
Tell
them.
the person, me I chat to you too, you know. Come here, so. Yeah, it is so. You take away food? Why you take away our food?
I'm too much.
Yam too much. You don't yam too much.
So what you do now?
Yeah, first turn to my mouth.
You still not put on a weight and you eat.
Listen
business,
me
me don't
want
put on yet.
stop it. Stop it.
Daddy, but you see me at the food and she come take it with.
You not stress me out.
And she not eat it neither. She put it down in there make it spoil. Hush.
You know, mama run gone to the India foreign now. Until today, I don't even know if she really make it on the flight.
Oh.
I don't even know. Because all woman is like a piece of trash, you know. When you do something, when you tear out it. I see on the heat and me attack. How
That way I
rude
say,
of you.
I talk about me.
How rude of you.
Some of the top men.
Because you're eating because of your father.
Wait, hold on.
Tell her sister sorry. Tell her sister sorry.
Sorry.
Look upon her and tell her sorry.
Sorry.
Give her a piece of the preamble.
You know what? You macaroni and cheese and then I have to get.
So you're saying, Yami?
You take it from me and say, I'm going to eat it.
Go on and eat your macaroni and cheese. Go on in. I see you.
Look
It should
here.
be the last time.
Look here. I think
You
I'm
do
happy
so-
nice
you do
because you see me by myself eating. I'm a good.
All right.
So I come bother me.
Yes. Oh, you come here. Come on, right hand time. Come. Stand right hand time. Why you hear me clearly? You not hear me?
Yeah.
You hear me?
Mm-hmm.
What on the phone? You want me to say no? I go up on the road, yeah? I will deal with some business. Cause since lately me notice no money now coming from no man. No matter what, I don't know what's happening. But nevertheless, me not really watch that cause me don't know what they over there do. But me, I go make sure say me go out there, go hustle, and bring in food on the table. Because the 2 boxes of macaroni and cheese left. So you what me I tell us?
Stop look out my head.
Look for me I talk to you.
Me I hear you. And my ears muse, listen at me eye.
Look for me when me I talk to you. Yes. Make sure say you stay in the yard with your sister and teach her and sit
Teach
down.
him what? No big picking in supposed to me not teaching nothing. And for me I'm not teacher.
Yeah, you me say?
Me I hear.
You go teach your sister what wrong from what right. You hear me say?
Yeah.
You two are not teaching one another. You teach your sister how to cook. She teach her what she know and you don't know. You teach her what you...
Me no want to teach me nothing. The only thing I want to teach me for do I jump off of one bridge and kill myself.
You hear where you pray? You hear where you pray? You know love your sister.
I feel no, you follow the teacher for do that.
I don't follow nobody.
Stop follow people. Me always tell them.
Me not following
Blood.
nobody.
She follow a
Talk
friend.
Me, aye.
What
Me
was
not
that?
follow no friend. Me never like you from day one.
Bad
I never
number
let
to
you
phone,
friend the one.
You know mash up, me no business.
Blood thicker than water, what me say?
You know, go and follow your friend and that's why she
You
make
don't
it
hear me
dead.
not ask you what you say it, yeah. Chat.
What me say to you? What me just say a while ago?
Water run longer than blood. Pass my bangers, give me.
Look for me when me talk to you. What me just say a while ago to my mouth?
Me no business. I really actually don't care.
You don't care?
No.
That's all this life.
Mm-hmm.
But anyone else me see you tell you I go
Yes.
talk to. You hear me
No
say?
business, go on. Can't back of you. Can't if you can.
Watch out,
Me
teach
now
her.
watch him. Me a big enough, big real stone pitney this year. You tell me if you watch.
Okay,
He
me tell you.
could even want to go run up and down and reach down this out this anyway she wish with.
Of
Me no
course.
business.
Phone no good enough.
Go and back of your papa. You don't want to watch you. Me know you watch me neither.
Go you look. Every day you want the pan phone. Like yawa.
Inspector.
Oh, one good one too.
Go in your house. What if you do? I have to see you.
Me tired to see you too.
I say if I tell you to see
One
you,
day
you
your
must
mother
go.
gonna find and she could bring you with her.
So you go.
Hmm?
So you go.
I say go.
Mm-hmm.
Oh.
Come on.
Are you ready?
Mm-hmm.
Even though I'm cooking so far.
Hey, hold on, where you go? That not tell us that all of you that watch more you think you go. You not come out of this me call daddy, daddy. You not
Right
come out
now.
of this. Every day you come and come call my sister Yawa. Share your tail? She's not your tail, baby girl. She's not going nowhere. Me had the look one, she had big one, she not go nowhere.
Yeah,
Girl,
right.
she not go nowhere.
You're free. You can even sit on him in a business.
Go you look. You not come out of that yard there today. Oh, where you go? You not
Hey.
come out of this. Where you go?
Hold my phone. Come on, team mash up. Cause mama can't buy
No,
it.
come. Hey, stop it. You know what
You
I say?
come out of where you are because I come and say, so come call this. My father tell her I don't live there and you come at her, but she don't worry. She not go nowhere.
Baby, right now. Calm down yourself now.
You not go nowhere.
Look here. Little rhinoceros. Rhinoceros. Please, may I
Jesus.
beg you, calm down yourself.
What
You
is-
say,
Calm down,
you
but
say
you're
that,
not going
no,
nowhere.
you say that little more there for you.
You know what?
I'll go back in there, so I'll go the way I do.
As
Because
daddy come
You know,
here
say me
tell you.
really, me know some talk to your father other day and tell him say if he control what kind of watch are your father and if he come home come watch him.
Miss
Daddy gonna go work cause she cuss daddy and tell daddy say need to get her work cause mommy they are foreign and her mother they are foreign and send money and daddy needs to help do something.
Yeah, man.
So
Him a watch,
gonna
not
work.
13, you're 13, you're not bun down, 14, you're not bun down the horse.
I-
You're not carry, you can't carry no man going there. You're going in.
you're big great
What
one
is?
picking if you go watch yourself.
Stay with
One
me.
in.
No, I'm not
Hold him,
going
Riri.
nowhere.
Riri,
I'm not
hold
going
him.
nowhere.
One
Riri,
in.
hold
I'm
him.
not going away.
What?
You see my sister? What's your? Mark say a question and she what like myself you see my sister.
I mean, I tattoo.
So you talk to don't me not see nobody else.
Look up the road and tell me if I'm here tattoo.
Yes, I you me talk to now you in a yellow dress. Myself you see my sister.
That really me I talk to?
They're not who me I talk to.
You better take your little self, girl, and over your yard.
Max, ever see my sister because I am her body and bench. Anyway,
Where you see me come from, my girl?
You the she there.
Where you see me they come from? No, up the road you see me they come from.
Sister, they may come from there.
You call him. You see me they come from up the road and ask me where your sister they look like your sister keeper. No, you are running down from all over the place, eh? Where you
friend? Anyway, she go in the back car. Where is my sister?
Girl, go on over. She run gone over.
She not over there, come. Just left from over there.
She hide through the shortcut, run her back, and go over there. Over there, she dey go on over. Go on over.
Make sure I go over them, say, and I say, I come back to you, you know.
Oh, me won't be here. We are my yard.
I'm going to find you at your yard.
Come on over here, boys. Come on over here.
See you? Can you say you're hypocrite, you know? You're hypocrite.
A problem
you know what my sister there, but you just don't want to talk.
Go on over.
You know what she there, but you don't want to talk.
Okay.
More, you tell much about she there, I'm stop press you.
Yes. Girl, you come here.
Courage over there.
You see pound courage?
Yes. Oh God, this is girl. Take him with him. You don't want him.
Eh? Me want that the pin if you do a kill him, go kill him anyhow me find him. Girl, you go manage.
I have never been tired of something so much in my entire lifetime.
What?
I am mama, we want for her up come on. Can't go back where I take him from us.
Girl, you have it rough, yeah.
Listen, where you did that? What we did that gonna?
How you go down on the road there?
Yeah.
Why you're rough.
Say, mommy,
What happened?
I'm glad you come,
Guess
mommy.
who's back? What, my baby? Oh God, I miss you now.
Mommy,
Oh God,
I
feeling
right
tired.
there. I can't wait for go away, mommy. Mommy, yes, you can. Oh God, mommy. Mommy, I when you send everything, send what you can bring, send what you can give me. Can you cost me? Remember my mother send more money. She take all food from me and lock me out, mommy.
A joke you make.
For true, mommy, I'm gonna tell daddy, and daddy curse me and talk about say, I lie me, I tell. Everywhere she go, I'm follow her, and her big old, her ugly friend, she have when you re. Come and talk about say me a rat, and about everywhere my sister go, I follow her.
Eh? Where them there? Where your father there? Where your father
In
there?
the road, in gone on the road.
Gone on the road and leave. Wait, so where your sister? Where? How you one left here?
Cause she gone and so I'm follow her, cause me's not her tail. She make her friend and tell her what to do.
So hold on. Where your father gone and your sister gone leave you one? So what if me never come back? Oh, what is? Hold on. Let me put my bag down. No, sir. Hello? Hello? Yes, Shock. Me come back. I'm here from yesterday. How is she up on her own?
You the fire one? Liar.
Well, Kena no there.
How you mean by me left on it? Hey, me left me early this morning, you know, go up on the road, you know.
Kena no there. Kena gone follow Riri. And through me I go with her. She said me for go with her cause me's not her tail and she a Riri run me back.
What really are going yourself?
So you feel say, me really left her here by herself and protective. You think me an idiot?
So how you gone from road for morning? What you did I do?
If you look what, me call you from yesterday, me not get you.
Come here, did I travel? I came from yesterday.
You should have made me know say they travel. So me know say.
Yeah, because then you would have know for style up the thing and set up the thing. Me need to come and see how things are run.
No, you
Without you knowing to me I come.
no.
I'm come from my baby. And I run pup. Serious?
I'm not a baby neither. I'm big enough. I'm 14. You must carry for a 14-year-old a yard and come back and teach me how you look.
You know hear about the 14-year-old that burned down the house the other day? Eh? Burned down, father gone to work, night work, and them a cook. Whole place burned down, them have to fly around to Cayman or some foreign place go do operation.
You know why burn down? Because the parents do not teach their child how to turn on a stove if they're gonna look for something if they're hungry. Or the parents then don't cook before they left and left the food and say, see there, you did it, take up here and eat it. No, they don't do that. They do kakati. They don't want nothing for them picnic, so they send them picnic go cook.
So that means you do it for them
No.
while I was away.
Me never send them to go cook by yourself.
No.
Okay.
But mommy, you see, Kena tell him so him for go work because only fear mother and you alone they are finding the same things and him sit down in the yard.
Sit down in the yard with pocket full of money.
Over pocket full of money.
And the money where did you see?
Borrow it. Borrow it a while ago.
So what you plan for
So
that?
where you hold on there? You're there in America, right? Over much years, span for years. What you over there do?
Me, I work hard in the fridge. Mr. Sam, Uncle Sam, I work because slavery not done there, so.
Come, me take care of it, you know.
Oh, me think
Me
so you
borrow.
ain't just about to say, my picnic like I say me one of her.
Me borrow to sustain them. Because sometimes when I look a bit of money when I send come, not so righteous. And for the next one, mama, no, me can't get him, you know. Like a black me on WhatsApp. You just have to call in.
I'm in a business with she,
You
you know.
calling foreign number, me like, sorry, but you have reached the person down the bill.
Take the hint. Can you not do nothing, Popeye, man? As bad as she is, but the two hours I try for a picnic. They got enough foreign in the fridge for Uncle Sam. You know how much bullshit me have to put up with and bite my tongue to me, I'll bite off a piece of my tongue.
So why you
So
never...
the one really she there.
No, you're blind. It's like that, you must say ghost. Ghost really, I say, tell us this a picnic are mentally ill. You
I
think
must
joke,
say you
I
a driver mad.
She mentally mad.
I must say your side of family she
I'm
gets
not
it
that me
from.
talk about. You go to America, go and work for Uncle Sam. Pay out in Uncle Sam, right? And before you turn to Jamaica, work for Uncle Andrew. You don't know, say Uncle Andrew do the same thing.
Uncle Andrew, no, my uncle, my fee uncle. That there? At least in America, me can see where my little change go. So that me can find a way for send change for no. As Uncle Andrew, as you call him, that dirty hey. Nobody make me stop on that. What that nobody start me off.
You know what? Go on in and talk to your mother. Go on in. This is bad. You see, you know, me I need to take a walk from the road. So you come on.
Yes.
You can't talk
So we
to me
need
like
to organize what.
I can't my daughter that's on the road. Father.
Like father, like daughter.
Who your girl?
I can't never my daughter this year.
Oh,
Where are you on the road? What me doing for this morning? Eh?
the girl and the money, sweetie. There.
No, me there.
Girl, what me tell you say about me picnic?
Oh, hello. I'm here, picnic. Me like your picnic.
Stop! Carry her out of the yard.
I'm here. Take up my foot and man carry him out here.
You see, my woman come down from foreign yesterday and surprised me today. I mean, that's when no saying come down. Stop carrying my picnic out of the yard. Your stepmother come and you can't even say good evening. Hello! Turn up!
Sir.
I don't think we don't want it anyway.
Me
I
not,
don't
me not.
think we don't want it.
No, me saving my evening
No,
for somebody
baby,
who
baby, I'm
want
gonna
it.
see
You want make that the
Them
picnic
five
here,
manners.
You can't fly down in an iron bird.
No, missy. Want make that the leaf
Mother
don't
rat,
fall
picnic
far
rat.
from the
The
tree.
apple don't fall far from the tree.
Apple don't
Yeah,
fall
girl.
far from the tree. No, me what be sick where the rat come from.
Hey, little girl, how you call rats?
You and your daughter.
You think say me a him? You think say me a him? Me and no rats, you know. Know yourself, you know, little girl.
Real American.
How you ramp with?
You can't defend
How
yourself.
you ramp with?
Hang him.
How you ramp with a call rat, little picnic? Know yourself, me and you don't know size.
That's
Little
right,
pigeon
baby.
chest.
Whoa!
Pigeon chest, girl. Go pick some corn. Go pick some corn and talk to my hand.
Corn.
Hey, little girl. How are you that one? How are you that one? Me was done, you ain't a girl. How are you that one? You don't know me, how are you in a picnic?
Blow! Whoa! Babes! I never know they go to America go turn gangster.
You don't know me who you not true. Me can't carry my thing through the
You
book.
know.
Yeah, let
Look
it
at
go.
my shoes.
Let it BBC. Are you
Say so.
say so, Anna?
I tell
Hey,
you,
I know look a mus we have over here this year, you know.
I tell
This is when you're Taliban, you know. This is when we fighting, you know.
When me tell you about the little concubine.
Deal with your rude ass. Me no want her attitude come from my picnic though.
Boxer, don't know.
Boxwa.
Boxwa.
Touch me for bad, no? Touch me for bad.
You is her father.
Me don't wait upon my mother for come here for shell you. Me don't do nothing.
Shallow.
Tell them
You
for
don't see
my
me
mother.
even pitch fire you little fly. Deal with your
You damn
papa.
right. Well,
I beg you, let go me.
I beg you let it go too.
Ding ding round one backside. Backside. Woo! Round 1, round 2, round 3, round 4 all in a one. Hey?
Come.
You can't deal with your picnic them.
Come. Go up. Go up.
Make sure know up and have manners.
Go up. Have manners.
Cock a fraud. Why? At least in liquor. You drop your phone.
Look at I wonder. Come on. Oh, but I see it, didn't I?
Get the two of them. Teach them a lesson, little brutes.
Babes, I know someone talk to you about something though.
How happened now, B?
Something just a bad on me from the other day.
What that?
You know, so right now I just feel like go home to my daughter because I don't know why me I think about my daughter so from the other day, but me dey here so with you 1 year and 6 months now.
B, you don't worry about that. Remember, say friend and dip you from foreign and me they stay with for 1 year and add now. Remember, say me still a send money go yard. So then we think say still there foreign.
Agree, but a wickedness when you think about it, how that look to you.
But
Feel know say my daughter thinks me they are foreign same way. Me just feel like something a go on where me need for just go home to her.
so you're not safe and comfortable. You don't need to go nowhere, B.
Safe and comfortable are one. But what about my child?
I suppose they did still there foreign. You're not looking through that. Remember, say nobody know say you get deep from foreign, you know.
Agree. But being in the state is different from being in Jamaica and when my child is in Jamaica. You understand? So the difference is me they close to my daughter and yet still me can't see her.
So how long you would that take you? You go look
Me
for
have
her.
to go spend some time with my daughter. I have to spend some time with my daughter.
How long? 3 days, 2 days, 1 week?
No, me spend 1 year and 6 months with you. So why I can't spend 1 year with her or 1 6 months?
That too long, man, be. Oh God, man, cut that. That too long.
Jesus Christ.
Where you want to go left me for 1 year for?
I love you and everything, you know.
You didn't even
I'm
say,
going to come back.
Did
It's
you-
not like me not going to come back.
you didn't even say you go for your daughter and come back and stay with me, or you go look for your daughter for 1, 2, 3 days. 1 year.
Well, when me go see her and me see say everything alright, then we know from there. You understand? Me call you and make you know.
Alright, well, it's up to you. I mean, I will stop you from look for your daughter. You're a pitney and you're supposed to love him. Eventually, you have to love your daughter. And you want to see your daughter because you miss your daughter a long time and not see her. But just make it be fast.
Yeah, me want to go see her. Because, you know, when I'm a dream see her, you know, and my dream say she get unruly to her father, you know, and them way there. And sometimes, you see, when time the kids them not have both parents beside them for co-parents them,
Yeah.
them get out of hand, you understand, and get unruly, and me no want you to start have sex before time and pregnancy and them kind of something there. Me have to go step in her life, baby. Me
B,
tell you the
if
truth.
anything, you can move in your daughter to, you know, to a chair live, you know. You can't
So,
take it.
hold on. You think me can trust you?
Who do I?
Yeah, you think me can trust you around my daughter for no trouble her?
B, come on, man. A 1 year and add now we live in. For you must know me by now.
You sure?
It's up to you still.
My
now what you
daughter
want
is
to
a
do.
young, nice girl, you know. Nice.
So what me I do with her if she young?
Yeah, because remember, you're a young youth. And you see certain things not developing now you get, you know. You understand? So, the thing is, I don't want you to go see her, and you say you go overthink and then, you know.
Alright then, if I that you pray, nobody bring her come here. Here we do. Look for your daughter and make sure you reach out back to me.
So, here what? I go out the door, go and do something around the place and tomorrow.
So just go look for your daughter and come
Yeah, alright.
back. Alright.
Wait, can I, mommy? Are you this? Backside so planting. Mommy come yesterday and you come today.
Look a
plan
girl.
for something.
Look a girl.
Miss.
Why make you never hold your head straight?
So wait, if me a pass
Why you couldn't hold your head straight? You have to see me?
Yeah.
You have to see me?
Yeah.
Look here, you see, if you ever go mention me name to nobody, you're not gonna like it. You see all the things that mama care for, no? Remember say none not get none out of it, especially you.
No,
You see?
on mama that come yesterday so she
Keep
bring
this
things for
lock.
me.
You don't see me. See I'm blind, hear and deaf. Then everything will work out good for you. But
You come from friend, how you look so?
who you want to know how me look so?
Because they could never come from friend and look
Stick
so.
your nose back in your own business and take it out of mine.
But you come from friend, you could never look so I let ear one do. Oh, you come
You
from
know,
friend
say you get
you
enough
look
and bright.
so.
You know, say, all me can tell you. You say, if you ever
Take
go
that out
call
of
me
my
name.
face now.
You say, if you ever go call me name, look what me I go do with you.
You
I bet say,
you can't do me nothing because me and you are
I bet say you look all black, all ugly mama ball for you.
at least you ugly but you do something good for me. What you do for
I
your
bet say
pitney?
she ball
What
for
you
you.
do for your pitney?
You don't worry yourself. Me send money go give my pitney. You don't
Money
worry
can't
yourself.
do nothing.
But you see if me say, girl, if you ever go call me name,
You say when you fix your ear, when you do your ear, you come
look what me
talk
I
to
go do
me.
with you.
When you do your
But me
ear,
not say nothing,
when
you
you
know.
do
Me
your
just
ear,
a go about my good business, girl. Just go call me name
go
and just what
on,
me do with you. You
cause
see?
you
say
come
little
from friend
lantern?
and cool, you look, you not even have a good hairstyle. You're not
Mine not one business. I go have some money where they come from. Look a force ripe.
yeah, at least my first wife, cool you look. You can't even walk good, you walk and a dash where your shape. Yeah, at least my ugly, but at least can I favor you.
You see all you?
Right.
Do it again. Try to embarrass me upon the road like a bust your forehead. Eh? Where's your sister, by the way? You see what I say? You see what I go through with them? You see what I go through?
Dirty ranking friend.
Daddy, my phone to tell her.
Where you come
What you
from?
did there?
After you and mommy left home, we follow back on, but I never get to catch you up. So after, say me,
So where you
after me say me, I walk come back up. Now guess who me say? For your mother. And for your mother said to me, say me tell you no, but anyhow me tell you no, she go beat me up.
No one wants to the day name day that can touch you.
And she said what she bring, she not give me none. I can't. I say I guess I'm tell her I say I don't.
You don't want nothing from
But
she.
you can't believe she the two of them are lied.
Are you with it, yeah?
Holy hell, she for they are Jamaican in their foreign.
Same way me there Jamaica when you did think me there foreign.
You ever tell yesterday you come down? And you sure you see mother?
She must know her. She must know her.
And
Me can't tell her the clothes that she know.
that now signifies she talk to you.
Yeah. She tell me say me tell her no she will beat me up.
Well,
But she red can bright. She touch you.
No.
Oh.
Open on my face.
still,
Deal with her, you know.
no, but
Deal with her, you know.
me a call her. Alright.
Anyhow, that's my picnic out the road and harass
No,
my picnic.
still
Me no
if I
business
call
with what you want to do with your daughter and for her daughter, you know. I fool no picnic for raise.
No,
She
the two
can't
of them
touch
equal.
my picnic.
Me treat the two of them equal. So don't tell me that. You don't tell me that.
Me say, me no business.
Equal, cook macaroni and cheese game and left me for the ambulance here. That are equal.
Hello.
Don't hello at me, not phone.
How old are you?
Shut your mouth, don't shut your mouth.
17. If you make your own macaroni and cheese.
Business. Oh, only be 14 if you learn fear.
Me don't want him burn no milk for
What you me burn it down?
Everything you're good for, forget up and go with your friend.
Nobody follow.
Friggin' no see what child.
You for grow with manners, no follow.
Why me
You
always
and
stuck?
share two different people.
Why me always stuck with the wrong set of woman them? And then now end up with the wrong set of people them.
Me can't talk for that daughter, but there's nothing wrong with my child but wrong set of picnics, wrong set of papa, and wrong man.
Oh,
me and our mother pick up.
Oh, mommy, she say you're
Wrong
black.
man, me and our mother pick up.
Look on our window.
Mommy, she say you're black. And
So
both
she
say,
white?
Me
oh,
black,
yeah.
me black, and me
I
all
say-
sunbathe too, coming up black,
And
you
she
know.
say when she beat me, if you come to her.
She touch you?
When me tell
No,
you
but you
From
come
she not touch him in the
Your
business.
mother.
Which come borrow a flush for me, girl.
Have manners.
Stop slap me.
So shit, what's your shot?
Yeah, lick.
Cacas fat. This one force ripe. Me not in this.
Touch me again. Touch
You
me
know
again. Me
this,
say
yeah.
who. Me I go see who put sperm in your
Come over
mama.
here, sir.
Make you
And
come out.
not gonna get
Touch
that
me one more
lick.
time. Touch me again. Make a pop off your head with it.
Papi no.
Go in. Go on, me I smell you. Your frowns. Go on and go bed.
Daddy, I you lift up your arm a while ago.
What you say?
I you lift up your arm a while ago.
No dinner for that, you know. No dinner for that tonight.
Are you
Yeah.
responsible?
If you're getting dinner, me put out your backside.
Tower.
Yes.
What, you think to me and you picnic?
Oh, you. You go like a big woman and walk out and follow me and your mother. Pick up on the road. If you went time when you look, me come here, me can't find a man take you away. You too, go on in. Go on in, so.
You didn't get no permission for true.
You too, go cook some food. Me glad you come back. Go and cook.
Rewind and come again. Oh, you talk to sir. Try again.
Go and cook.
Try again. Turn today. Do it one more time. Ask me like that. One more time, let me see.
Baby, can you cook some food for me? I'm very hungry. I miss your cooking. I have 2 pieces. Okay?
You're still missing a word. You teach the picnic them manners and you not none. When you ask for something, you ask, how you ask?
Baby, can you cook some food for me, please?
Oh, all right. I mean,
Yeah.
you know how you pay me later. Oh.
Some sex, some good sex.
Then the mouse, what we come here for?
Well, that shop your lock. You can't go work.
Sorry, somebody I go on that the road there. Boy, may I tell you, babes,
What happened to you, babe?
how you do on phone?
Now play 2 games.
No, put up your phone. We have to talk right now. Put on the phone.
What happened?
You know, me sorry, some go on the road.
Why?
You know, some go buck up in for me baby daddy daughter. Yes, on the road.
Now why must you?
Buck up in her and me a fear 1.5. So if she ever go call me name. But me still not trust her. I feel like she go call me name. So you know what? I feel like I should have stayed 1 or 2 weeks, you know.
But me did done tell her from the beginning. You know.
Jesus
You
Christ.
never listen.
The worst thing me ever do I go on the road.
That with you listen when me
What
talk.
the fuck where that the little girl there come from down in that the late? Where she a come from?
So me can never ask her. I mean, I come and ask.
No man, there's something about that little girl there where me can't understand. Cause me can't understand where she a come from. I have to come back up in a me.
But me can never.
Right there so.
So me can never ask her. What you come and ask me for?
But she down there rank with me, little girl cuss me out.
Oh, lucky I rank alone, she rank with you. They tell her me.
You know, say you're just as bad. You're just as bad, you know.
And you just as hard at hearing, because me tell yourself it don't go nowhere and you're still gone. Your business that you solve your one problem. Then I'm nothing else to
What
say.
you think me should do? What you think me should do?
What you should do? You must know. Me can't decide that for you, because me did done a one before.
You think between the 2 weeks, I should call and check for my daughter?
Me did done tell her that already.
No, but I mean between the 2 weeks when I go stay back here. You think me should call and check back for
Don't
her?
tell her that I already did for do that for her first. But you just never like listen. Do that.
Jesus Christ.
I
But
don't
if
go
me
no
call
way.
no way where her father go say.
Call and find out. If you not call, how you go find out?
No, God.
Go and go call her.
Over a week now, me no call her, you know.
So you call her now.
But anyway, you know, man go to the door, go call her. You
Call her and
understand?
find out.
Whole a reason with her and see what go on.
Do that. I make me
I
know
know that
what
little girl they call up my name, you know. I know she go call up my name. And I know my baby father stay. Him
All
hard
right, man.
did. Alright, I'm gonna make a call and come back.
Alright.
One of them where them picnic did there, eh? Me have my part and none of them not there. Where the, me and them. Me and them. Especially my one. Me no want the dirty girl rub off from my picnic, you know. Oh, hello, little miss. Where you come from this late?
I don't think you have the right or you have the obligation or anything to ask me that question. Come on from my face.
Little girl. You not reach 18 yet, you know? And you're still there, so anything happen to you, and your father and me, police are come to.
nobody now
So
come to
me no want nobody not to say me response for you like that, cause him more response, but me no want no trouble.
No, me neither.
So where my daughter?
No business. You should start with that. You should start with.
Evelyn, mommy.
So where you did there?
She tell me to follow her, cause I follow her, she go pay me. So she tell me not follow her, she beat me up. So she will follow.
Girl,
And she come left me.
Let me tell you so.
So hold on. I sell foot now. Eh? I sell you sell foot. Your foot can't decide where to go unless you get paid. So where you take her and she follow you go?
She follow me by herself. From you never there here, she always follow.
She said if me not follow her, she beat me up.
You have evidence, Mrs. Look a black like a girl.
Hey, you white.
Me no
Your
white,
fake
me no
white, all the way black.
No, me no black like her.
All the way black. I mean, no sure, no, so you can't go as a white woman.
Oh God have mercy.
The same thing again.
No, me never really did want you to catch me here, you know.
What make?
Cause me,
Drunk to yachty.
no, me feel shame because we should have reached home a long time and take off my little working clothes and we could, this is same clothes me now. And me tell one on it. We should not answer the phone in our house. When me tell us we take clothes come give me, the car me get up this morning and I never remember say, me wear this year the year before. When me say, me not tell them to bring clothes come give me.
Yeah.
So
But
wait,
she tell me to follow her, cause me not follow her, she beat me up.
Alright, tell the fryer they here and she they here. You know, if I follow, you know, if I tell him to follow back on me, I may ever tell him say if he stand tear. So why me I go pay him now for follow back on me? I may even didn't want him follow back on me willingly.
I tell them to say, for bring clothes come give me. And no, bring no clothes come give me.
Nobody know, you know like beard, nobody know really business.
You don't follow her attitude.
But you're bright.
What this? Go deal with your daughter, cause my daughter na rank so.
And me, I go down will.
Ha!
You know how no figure where you have figure where you have on will. You have go will make
You see,
banana
mommy?
tree. Where you go do will
Spoil
make
the rod for it, young.
Where you go do? Where you go
Well, everything try and gear.
Oh,
That's why that happened.
This year, son, tonight, our friendship are cut.
Then later, it's
Our
like
friendship are
fear.
cut.
What you say?
I'm going to show you your real blood. You're going to sit down here with your family, them. You're going to sit down here. You're going to play card game. You're going to play domino. You're going to play Ludi. Judge your backside going in. Right now.
Family that eat together, pray together, and play together, stays together.
Go on in. You know. You're 14-year-old. You go for the road too.
Me come back.
You're 14-year-old. Anything can happen to you on the road.
I tell her.
You think, say, if police come and come pull me and your mama will survive more than me, you know. Cause I'm a female, me a man. Me can't go to prison, go job soap. Me can't go to prison, go use toilet.
Me not go to prison, none at all.
I mean, I want to go to prison. You know, take your time while we are go. Warning, you, go fix up something for me. Hello.
You want to know who you are talk to, sir?
Yeah, I'm finalizing everything is finalized and sealed.
Oh.
Yeah. Right. I think he's up here on that 25, you know? 3-7 nights. Yeah, 3-7 nights. Man. Yeah, man, get a good deal. Let's try again. Alright. Huh?
What's your name? About good deal 7 nights? Watch.
Ocha, you did this kiss ko, you not go to play them.
Kuya to. I'm wash them for a week now.
When you watch them, you see that you go to play them, I'm not watch none, I'm dead serious, I'm not watching no.
No business. Make them time.
Yeah.
Me not wash them. If you don't wash them, I feel good up. Yeah, your mother have that up.
Oh. Hello.
Hello, mom.
So me her on arguing about washing up plate and thing, and then I feel say on chipping. Everybody have to chip in and help.
Me wash plate last week.
This week and me I go wash it next week.
Me wash the plate them last week. I feel week. You can't count. Eh? You can't count.
So weekly everything cook and everybody. But who washing it this week? Who washing it today?
I think wash it.
It need for wash. But anyway, that is that. Come for talk to you because I want to know what your plans is. Because you only have a few weeks left and then school starting back and everything. I'm going to see you take your book yet. So what is your plans? You going to work harder this month, this term?
Yes.
Because you have to take your book, you know, because education is a key. What you do now counts for what's going to be for your future. And I know you're not my daughter, but the same thing applies for yourself. The actions you do now relates to your future and what you get from it.
Oh.
So now is the time when you need to pick up on a book and start out in the future, make your plans about how no.
Me already know what I want to be. I take me look at time use AI to help me study.
Okay. All right, me love that.
Me love it too. So I hurry up work and move from the whole on. Tear that whole on.
Okay, but you hear that?
Yes, mommy.
And that me love. As that me love with you. Me love that. And you're going to take your book and work hard.
Yes, mommy.
Good. And also the Bagger Road. Your sister older. You can't manage the road like she.
Yes, mommy.
I don't want him back on me that way. So every time, me tell you, why you come like you're not understanding?
I get big, me can't turn my yard.
Good girl. So you don't always do that everywhere me tell you dead.
So when she don't want you follow her, that you stay in and you take your book.
Daddy!
No.
What is it? What you call out my name for?
Come and see you there, so I'm see you peep like you want to listen to people.
Me never listen. I never listen. I follow him. I was just coming around the corner and he see me and call me.
Okay.
I pick, mommy. No, you're crazy. I pick me see head a peep come through this so. I wanna go and see.
I work, me I plan to go.
Ain't there people
no
not
time
listen
for
to you.
What I chat to when I say? I chat and I come see me a peep.
Yeah.
When I chat, what do I chat me say? What happened?
She a chat she want her move from all of you so.
Me not chat him. That I chat him. I'm a future goal that. I don't know about not chat him. What be I chat him?
How you gonna have a future goal if you not focus on like the bagger friend them you have?
No, one friend me have a one the friend you see me with. Yeah.
Charlie, make them lead you astray, no? Cause them lead you astray, me down with you and your mama. Me put it to on out one time.
No time for him anyway when him ready, when him
Well,
foolishness.
you miss this year, that's why you come down. Come surprise. You thinking of business?
Not for my daughter.
No, you come down first. You come watch me.
All right. Hold on to that.
You better than fear your mama, cause fear your mama, all of them can get to her, you know.
Me no
I
business.
call her, I send her a voice note. And I feel like you're going to come like your mama.
So you go apart alive.
I want him to tell you, say, no. If you see if you don't get this, child learn a trade, yeah?
Well, that is true.
'Cause if, two things in Jamaica you always have. Education and trade. But the trade is more important because enough people have education sit down out there. Enough of them have how much subject, 10 subjects, and your father and none of me a work. Me go there, go see one girl on the front deck, sit down. And I see my dash on paper in the bin. And me go in the bin because of me clear out the trash them. And me go in the bin. So people application with a high degree. Me can't go to the boss. Them might say me a informer, but me not make people look work. And I wonder how boss now call them to come work. Me can't go show the boss and the boss up and the boss up. Remember say now, me not understand much thing about the application business. You know? I say, Papa, where you find these high technical application? I say, boss, I know the rubbish heap and we see some big old
Letters. Aye.
Say, boss, how you know it's a degree? I say, boss, that's a D. Degree. Yeah, me know it. Say, boss, say, yo. All right, who showing them? I say, girl, I front this boss.
Bad mind.
Fire her and then call in the people them. All right, you know me tell the girl where in our front desk, we get the job where boss call me say, listen me. Don't throw away no paper can interfere the day, you know. I'm fine.
And make them appreciate
And the boss
it.
call you. So don't do it to others. You see, if you see others bigger than you, don't throw away. Boss will still keep you. Because you're being honest. God will bless you. But it's when you do foolishness, you lose your
It
job.
follow you.
When you see people lose them job at work, you know, a bad mind is let them lose them job in a laziness, you know, because yeah, some of them see them. Oh, baby, what going? You good at yard? And what you do? Hold on, turn on the camera and want to see you look. You know, say boss I watch that.
Camera the elbow.
Yeah, they work and you watch your love at yard. That's
Them
why,
are watchers.
that's why I believe a couple must not work at the same place. Because me and you work at the same place and the man look at you and call it sexy. Me a box on that fucker, you know. And you get
When it's true.
True way.
True, eh?
True way.
True,
Me and you don't look no way. We are one. We are one. See that we get a nice, beautiful daughter and feel mama. Oh God.
Me not in a dissing mother, so me not talk about that.
Left him.
Me talk too much now. Me want to know. Don't leave the yard. No, try to one. When you're big or old.
You can't tell me that. Yeah. We're all enough.
You not follow
You can't
she.
go anywhere you want, uncle. You can't tell me that.
Stand back.
You're old enough.
Mother.
You can go anywhere you want. Anywhere you want, you mean, right? And me can tap you. You know, so me can call CDA for you.
No business.
You know, so you know, rich 18, me can call CDA, we can go spend the last couple
No
months.
business. You know what me can do? I can't ball and tell them say you in a guy me and you run with my mama so that's me turn astray and me depressed.
Boy!
Let me ask you a question. Me run when no try to want me to go on a job overseas. And you come back, what if your mama there?
No, me can't answer for nobody but
You know
myself.
if your mama there.
So now you run him with then? If I don't make him get so and he not come back, now you run him with.
Every time you used to call him, and the one bathroom in our video call me. Every time.
Bathroom call.
Me there work a plumb up on pipe. And I fix the pipe and me call her. Accidentally call her. I don't really watch me, I watch her. You know. Me call her, she answer and black out the camera and say, babes, you can't talk to you now, me dey on the work. I mean, hear nobody in the background. Silent like a limb. And me say, oh, me not hear nobody. Oh, isolation, babes. Isolation. Me say, isolation. Babes, you break up, me not hear. Me hear her properly.
Boy. Well, that's between you and she. Me the
And you want
business.
to come follow your mama footsteps.
But this time I
No
follow my
problem.
mama footstep.
Go on, no
Go on
problem.
and work, man. Go on.
Follow your mama.
Yes, I am going to work. Work before boss for your affiliateness.
No, boss, give me supervisor over maintenance, you know. So I don't have a problem.
We're not really business.
Me walk go anywhere in the hotel, I'm in a business. You see how me
We don't
just in a
business
business.
neither.
Guests them love me. See that? The two guests them love me. They I pay tip me again because they don't know if you spend their money and they give me. They say, they say, Jamaican money no value nothing. They look at this year and give me say no value nothing.
Taki.
He said, well, 5,000 can do. I say, well,
Let me see it. No, man, let me see it now.
I want you.
Yeah, show me. You just a tease me.
I want you with you know, yeah, too red. Anyway,
Stop doing it.
me will call you for your suit. Because more left off a hotel property look.
You know, call me, call him.
Fabulous, you know? More
Wait, now you're the big one now if you bring it.
No, yeah, you're married.
You on the road. It's a perfect time to do the road.
Hey,
No, me I go do
When
road
she ever
now.
on the road,
now.
so it makes sense for you,
Me
your
have a
big
big
daughter, to carry the suit for you.
You know what me I say now? You might go do road. Don't
When
continue
you-
that evening when you come in and punish them. I'll show you something.
You can't punish me with fool.
I'm in the hand back, you know.
That's between you and him.
Anyway, take care of
What good? You inside for your book. Me I follow back at you. You is your owner woman.
Me know. Yeah.
Owner woman.
Girl,
We are going, girl.
come on. I never see my text.
No, you want to fly over here now work.
Me dear.
So we are waiting for me cook on.
Yeah. I'm just this one your garbage bin there.
Oh, hurry up, hurry up. Hurry up, girl, hurry up, hurry up. Meet me, quick.
Come on.
Come. Run, girl, run.
Where you dey go? Look here. You can't max down inside the girl. Alright, go down cause I'm back at me, Shiako.
Abaka you, me I go every day come call my sister tell you is what?
Yeah, this is. Oh, girl, you're there.
Girl,
Oh, man.
you really gonna make she stand up right there, so?
Who? I don't finish that.
Sure. Anyways, girl.
Yeah, welcome. Where you coming out to?
Girl, I don't know anything about boy. I think if we go down here, I think we can have some. I'll finally get some free time by myself.
Yeah,
you know,
I
what
feel
we
like
can
I
do
want to go
today.
down the road. I don't want him to too close to me.
Achoo, come walk go down the road then.
Yeah, bro.
Asha, B, what go on?
Eh?
No, say what's up? What go on?
Me could never be a bee. I'm in a see if almost around 8 months now. Where did they?
No worry about that, man. Me did fly out.
But they think he's dead.
You think? You thinking dead? Me not even can call him phone and get him no at all. Where did they?
Oh, me tell us me did fly out, but me change my number. New
Fly
number.
out. And you not even call and say drunk. Dirty dog. Me dep on the plane.
Can me lose a number? Me change my number.
How you fi lose your own woman number?
You should have know that out and head. This man is not good for you.
Oh my God.
How old she?
I'm a friend for 5 years. You not even know that day? You know how long me and this girl apart?
So if me fly out for 8 months and thing, how me go remember say a long time left for your foot, you know?
8 months?
And 5 years.
And 5
Say
years?
a long time left for your foot, you know?
8 months? And 5 years?
Remember say a long time left for your foot, you know? You know,
So what you trying
understand?
to say?
Oh
You never did your foot one night time and me now walk and watch you.
Oh.
Come here, you find somebody. You find somebody?
Come on, no man, be tap it.
Alright then.
Tap it.
You can't live up. Which part you live first, you know? Which part you live now? Come here, we go up, you know?
No, you see which part me move Ghana now. It's a family member place.
What mean?
I can't bring nobody there, car.
So me your family don't know me.
No, B, come on, no man, you can't do that. Me will check you.
Check me, you not check me.
I go check you.
Alright.
And now check you.
Girl.
Me no believe which somebody can just a touch them from foreign and so call him and look so.
Don't worry yourself.
Are you there lying?
When you check me. When you check
Me
me.
make you know.
You not even have my number. You have a phone pan, you give me
No,
number.
I left my phone. Me know if you find you, man. The same place I live.
My move too.
So where you there now?
Can't really tell you cause my family member, they not really want stranger there. Come
Right,
on.
Come. Take it next thing.
B, what go on? You look so vex up.
Me no must vex.
So,
So you just where you come from? Boy, you just come in and come ask me what I want. What you feel I want?
B, me go take a walk on the road. Look for when me lock down. You tell me so me can't go walk and breeze me foot them.
So why me could come with you?
So why you never tell me say you want come when me I left you in the first place?
He never invite me, so what?
So me have to invite you nowadays.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, next
You
time.
look so.
Next time you get invitation, no worry ahead.
Anyway, let me tell you something. You see anything you do these days, I eat me and do. Right now, upon the road, me I come bathe and go. Same as though you just a come off of the road, me I go upon the road now.
B, tell me yard, man.
Turn my yard and do what? Do what?
No really done. Now reason about life.
May have nothing really done a reason about. Right. Upon the road, me I bathe and go, right?
Go on about your business then.
I wonder if we can get them deals. This look good.
Follow back from everywhere me there.
So yeah, I'm a sister. I'm not for follow you.
No, yeah.
Oh yeah, come on, Tina, sit down. The plate them wash.
You're the pan here. Go wash the plate.
rake.
I mean, for wash the plate, mommy. I mean,
One
if
on
the
for
yard, mommy.
wash the plate and one on for rake the yard.
Yeah,
So
the
me
pan
just
point.
know. You as a big woman, I go sit down in this and I say, wait till me come out the door to tell me that. Oh, you're crazy.
So, coach, you turn up.
So hold on, you never get instructions from on the father.
No,
Yes.
I've been here before. Anytime me wander here and wash plate on a rake yard. I mean, one.
So you
can't do it.
Are you going to plate and me sweep the yard and you go see now this?
in it share.
Go ahead.
As a matter of fact, you're the bigger one. You can wash the
Yeah,
plate.
me sweep
She
the
do the
yard.
hard work and rake
No,
the yard.
me want to do the soft
No.
work.
That's what me say. You wash the plate then.
No,
Alright, then you rake
Come
the
on,
yard
come
and
on,
she
there.
wash the plate.
I'm going to do everything.
Eh?
Yeah, go stay.
What going on?
This one thinks the slavery still there.
I don't think so.
She no want do nothing.
Hello.
The pan phone, you know, your daddy talk to you.
Come on for the phone, me talking to you.
What you?
Hello. My me sees the phone, you know.
See no season you buy.
My me sees it again.
Mother send money
Me do
from
it already and me will do
foreign
it
to buy.
again.
You never do this. You never take on the phone.
Me take up your friend phone and me will do it again. And stand up for me. Stand up down there so me talk to you. Stand up down
Look
there
here.
so.
You now wash my foot button.
You pick me and stand up down there so listen
Me no want you come ranking out to
mother-
order like she.
anyway in there foreign. Now I send no dollar come here.
No grow good. Mother no grow you good.
Mother no
Thank
there.
God feel good. Thank God.
What kind of picking me out there?
I don't mean I say what kind of pitney you be?
One just
With all foot chain per foot.
you can't wash your head. You can't do your hair.
Their hair is
do
perfectly
my hair is
fine.
alright. Me not have to wait for us here. Me have to, my naturally is okay.
Then nothing wrong with what the palm of foot then.
Something really wrong with
If
it.
nothing wrong with the head, nothing wrong with the foot.
Me I talk to you. Step down.
Then you can't
What's
talk.
up,
Step
bro?
down. Step down.
Hey, I sinful people, you know, me know
Step
I'm a
down.
sinful
I'm
about
talking
you
to
know.
you. Step down.
You
If you're a
can't check I'm
man,
still here.
out of all the picking them in the area, una the worst.
Oh no, she! Cause she knows when they talk to her. She, cause she not listen, she go like she
She and her
big.
Rudolph's friend.
Go like you big.
Yeah, go come down top now.
Acha!
Sure.
Listen to what me I say.
You can't chat on my ears, me use listen at my foot.
Anything where she say, Allah, what you tell her to do?
One for clean, one for wash
Me
up,
tell her
and
me I
one
read
for
the
rinse.
yard. She tell me to do everything.
Hello. Me I
Where you
go
go
out
so
the
far
road
from?
and come back.
I'm not really busy.
And make sure when me come back, yes sir, The whole place clean up here.
Oh.
And make me have to spit and it dry.
Well, it have a spit dry.
And
Spit again and you have to go dry
I
again.
since we back to them animal, you know.
Also, you grower.
Never
Yeah,
mind
shut
that
your
your
mouth,
father,
you know.
mine you get it too.
Shut your mouth. Oh.
You just go do what you for do. If she no want do nothing, she and her father.
Right.
As long as your conscience set you free. So please and thanks go wash up. As a matter of fact, you do the suffer. You go wash up. Make her father deal with that.
Oh, yeah.
Every day I go and come for my sister.
No fight. Allow it. Cause she go get in a trouble. You go do what you for do.
Me say, that pitney gonna breed pan daddy, you know? You see that pitney?
As long as you not
You see
follow
that
her.
pen that we have?
What's
Finna
the
lead him
she?
astray.
Yes, they're a race to breed. Wash up. Thank you. Now follow her. See? Golden child.
Mommy.
Come.
Okay, mommy.
Shit, that's the time. 3 o'clock. All right, come here quick. You done wash up yet?
Yes, mommy.
All right. Finish tidy up your room.
Yes.
Me never realized the time your father soon come. Me have to still run go up on the road and get some rice and cooking oil to do dinner. So by the time he come, dinner ready. Cause you know how he miserable. A hungry man is an angry man. Go inside, sort out what you have to sort out. Me soon come.
Yes, mommy.
All right. Little bit. Whee!
Oh boy. The local time I left where me I come from look earlier. How this happen? Huh? So nobody organize what kind of day?
I don't know.
You do anything for me like this morning?
Yes, daddy.
What you do?
Wash the plate and spread up my room and clean up my room.
Good. Huh? Yeah, go down at the bamboo tree, go see if it's cleaner for me there, please. Me I will try this and tell him say me say. Now make me have to come for me, yeah?
Yes, daddy.
Alright, I'm not turn too long. Cause me will look for you too.
Hey, why? I hear the mommy this, Father God help me. You see this?
Jesus Christ.
Nobody see Jesus Christ, cause you,
Look
as
at
I reach down on my yard, I shall tell my father, say, I see you.
I who send you come here, devil, where you favor?
God tell me come, because you're too wicked. You're too long for earth, and not go look for your pit, not to come over here, and say, well, miss, may you not talk about me, come to me, that you say
You are fast, not my business. When last I brush your teeth, them, you know, so them big and yellow.
Yeah.
Oi. Stop cussing
You look at this little girl.
Sir, our daughter down a yard, if my mother no go get money or if my father no go work for get money, our daughter don't eat. Not even cash, she don't call her picnic.
Look at stop tell like Pammy.
Come down there, she don't come down.
Look at girl, stop tell like Pammy. You come, you wicked and lie like you ugly black, all ugly mama.
Yeah, makes you turn black. God make me black.
You see, I wonder if you say your mama black or ugly and favor
God make me
gorilla.
black. God make my mother black too.
Hello, little girl. You know I get in on no business, but find a yard. Cause you don't look good. You don't like how this look. Find a yard for me, please.
You have time with this little... I don't even know where she crawls from.
God don't win there, you get a beat.
Go ahead, little girl, you chat too much. You know big people business too much. Go ahead and go your yard.
Go look for your picnic. Go look for your picnic where they don't have a yard where we have to feed every day. You say yeah, they are foreign and you know they are no foreign.
I don't even think you spread like a piss up bed for a morning. Go on.
Spread my bed long time ago. Yeah, that's I don't get my phone every day. If that not tell her to do something like oh she don't do it.
Yeah, me I go tell you again. Anyway you see me, avoid me.
You can't avoid the car you're going to me a big bad and bowl so me I go see you.
Avoid me.
You can't avoid you.
Go on over.
Right.
Go on over.
Let me have to tell you again for avoid. Girl, me have to tell you again for avoid me. Go away.
I can't
Yeah,
avoid
your mama love
you.
people business like our.
Yeah.
Where the cussing the
I go wash your little dirty panty them. That if you do.
Come on.
So. Come. If you come talk up your little sour mouth. Look at teeth them.
Daddy, I say, guess who me see?
You know Tikena?
No, Daddy.
What
That
happened
is somebody better than Kena.
Who?
Kena mother.
Kena.
She and a brown man. If you run go catch them, you will see.
Kena mother.
Yes, daddy.
You're sure.
Sure, very sure. See our mother, me see, and a brown man and him tall.
Yo, nobody will sit down, so don't move.
Yes,
Hey,
daddy.
if you ever think you bad move, you're sure.
Sure, daddy.
Remember, you know, if me go out
Go and go catch them, daddy.
Ma take a shortcut. Remember, you know, I know what I feel like.
What wrong with you? What make you never want? Why you don't want to come on road with me?
You see, when I talk about this road, I don't want to come on this road.
Why? What happened? What happened to
But
this
just
road?
no want to come on this road.
You have a special
This
road
road,
you
I know for me, my name right off of this road.
So you have a special road where you walk on?
Yeah, let me choke.
How?
And what do you? See this down my throat, so.
Cough again.
Sure. So, what your problem? Why you want to have a problem with this road?
So what? You have a problem?
I said, I just don't want to come on this road. Me no like that road. You know, see how you know, look how the road mash up pattern. Me no want to come
So
on
why you
this
not
road.
fix it?
See, me not able to go broke my foot. Me just don't want to come on the road. Everything you find problem, everything you make problem.
At Lisa. Hey. Where you at the Panda Rock, girl?
You sure say Lisa you
Good
see who name
evening.
so?
Where you at the Panda Rock?
Who name Lisa?
Me think say you
No, who is
did
Lisa?
still
Who is
there
Lisa? Who is
foreign.
Lisa?
Girl, you fall down and lick your head. Where you at the Panda Rock? You're supposed to be living life still in a foreign. You just come.
Talk to her now. No, you should talk to you.
But just come like this morning today.
Oh, okay. So your daughter not say reach back in. Alright, that she are gonna look for.
She don't know yet.
Okay. So I bring you back
Jesus
then. Which
Christ, I
breeze
don't know
bring you
why,
back
which
here, so?
I would send you on this road I know if you come see me.
How you so damn lie? You not get deep. Not 18 months since you there.
How long, sir?
18 months.
You know say you want to let down. You know say other side me
Wow,
other side
what
me tell us
is
say me alone a
this?
company road, you know.
Top tell lie.
18, Lisa, you bad man. 18 months you there, and you not say 40 you wanna pick me? Hey?
I call her and talk to her.
But she don't know say you there.
She
Your
not fi
baby
know say me
father
there.
know. For we baby father know say you there.
For we baby father, you should have glad say all you like all you get peace of my man.
Eh,
Yeah, come talk.
No,
If you
no,
ever
no,
develop
no,
a
no. Get it
civil
right,
arrange.
my girl. Let it right. My man come to him senses when he realize who you be. Sir, take note. She have her picnic and she come, what, 18 months? That is a wicked, my girl.
And you
That's
know say you are the
wicked. And you
homewrecker.
have me and him a minor. And she all over the road a rank. And she need a mother's guidance. But mind you, maybe she better off without this your mother's guidance.
You know what?
No, sir.
Are you take up stepmothership, so why you can't mind her? I send what I fi send, I send what I have.
Hold on. You're really cool too. You have your picnic. You carry your daughter. You give birth to her. And that you really say,
I find that woman that tell me if you think me see.
hey, let me step out.
There you go again.
Kakafata that she do her picnic.
I'm a mama this.
Hey!
We're going like
Lord,
a
must
tell
see
me.
Mirage.
Come here, girl. How you me follow? But you are the asshole.
What you are doing,
I
sir?
don't. You want next one too.
What you are doing, sir?
But you are do your side. Remember, said there's so many videos.
So what you mean by what him a do so?
And your son this way get a fire. I'm your son. You need to have a scared son.
Is my man. That's my man.
Yeah. Who?
That's my man.
Yeah, what?
Well, sir,
That big
you're
old
finding
woman,
out what kind of
Yeah,
woman you
mother.
pick up.
Can you favor your mother? Trick me.
A prank, man. Man, what
So I
one?
fake camera.
A prank, man. Prank.
This is her daughter
prank.
that me and her father is raising.
So, come over here, so.
Mommy, what
Play with your
one?
man, girl.
Meet your daughter-in-law.
Girl,
Uh-oh.
let go off of my man. Let go off of my man.
Ho-ho.
What say?
I said let go off of my man.
Your man?
My man.
It's not your man, my love. It's my man. You see when they?
I had to tell us you play too much games. You run too much joke, mommy, man. Stop running them that joke, you know.
Dear Jesus.
What do you mean by your man now?
Get in the middle of this.
Huh?
So wait there, hold on there. So all along me see you go up on the road. At this.
So me know me one big man, mommy.
So this is all where it come down to.
So you're my brother, Bomba.
Touch
Bomba,
it.
my brother.
Hey, brother.
So this is all what it come down to.
And your stepfather, your next stepfather.
You know you call him mommy. Anyway, forget thunder.
Girl, go and catch up with your mother. Me I go down.
But I catch up with no. Say you say in like you know.
Me not even would fight for you, cause you never word fighting for.
Alex, you know, and no picking it.
Anyway.
But it's okay.
That is disgusting.
Me know.
Normally you rank with me, but oh God, me feel it for you, man. That's not right. 18 months she there. 18 months she there on the rock. Me I go talk.
Oh man, you so hop off from my back.
Where you go?
Hold off from my back.
Me and Papa from my back. And you there 18 months. 18 months, Papa. 18 months.
What?
18 months.
Hey!
She disown your picnic.
And your daughter, you know, see him up the road, man, him and one brown youth are pass, you know, and say, Daddy, this time you better believe me. Go out on the road, you will see them now if you run fast.
But glad you listen.
And take shortcuts out
Jesus,
more
Father
and
God.
around.
What is this destruction today?
So tell me now, where boy they?
Wicked.
Where boy they?
Ain't gone off with him real
You love man where you ask for the
Him
boy.
gone
is,
off
huh?
with him real woman.
Honor come for the man.
Aye.
You love man where you ask for the boy there for.
So all along, you're there 18 months.
No, my shame tree cut
months
down
the
family
man
there with
tell me,
you.
say.
Family go take myself and put myself with you, my shame tree cut. I don't have no shame.
It's sure.
Me give you work over foreign where me could have sent myself go over there. Me send the 200 go over there. You catch bad mindness and quit the job where me give you and go somewhere else. Go work.
You know, say a dance ship you want show. A dance ship you want
But
show.
me
You know?
get good news.
No, you don't know me that undergoing with
You
she.
get dip.
What? Say again?
Eh?
You don't know what needed that undergoing with
Yes.
Go thief. When go walk, you see which way I think go walk, go thief and then dip him. But me never know that's so long in there. Me think I think what there and get dip.
Daddy,
And that's why, you know, say
dip
that,
him back from your son. Dip him.
you know, say that's why me and you left. Because you come like Google.
Hold on. I know your talk.
You just know everybody because you just know
So
everything.
you not have no shame chain.
You walk and search like, you fall, you come and fall. You
You're
Google.
looking at the mirror, my girl. At least come and fall, have sex.
Nobody
At least
talking to
come
you.
and
Come
fall.
on, come on, come here.
You is
Back down, girl. Back
disgusting.
down, cause you, look up.
You is
But who you be from the
disgusting.
time you take my money, you know? So,
Me
you will
never
get
take
it.
your man.
Nobody never take me.
Man realize him leave all crosses to a good woman.
No.
Me would never disown my child. Eh?
Damn
Disown
finger them
your
favor foul
people
foot.
for talking.
Boy, you there a
Oh
chat.
God.
If I
Your
tell you,
damn
God,
finger them favor foul
Fire
foot.
upon you.
me left you because you didn't cook good. You wasn't cooking good.
And that's why
Lord.
you have to end up a clinic so much on milk and not sure.
Yes, your mother.
So tell me now, why you come and pick up for your father and your stepmother now?
Because as bad as thing they never abandon me, I go like you don't know me.
Water gone one day me that.
No, so why you feel like me, I go like me, no know
Hello.
you?
No, look here.
Oh God.
Look what
She have bad memory too. Oh, Simon's in
Mother
this.
see me and could I even look like a
Yeah,
dog.
which mother could never see their penny for so long? I come for 18 months and left him. They would call I said dog shit. Me look up picking him, no matter what.
Yeah, you didn't
Yo,
pick
if
up
you call
for
me,
you didn't pick
me
up for
I
her.
pick up for him. I was
Anyway.
talking universal.
When they were young,
Oh, excuse yourself when I talk to my
water
child.
gone,
Oh,
Me now.
silent yourself when I talk to my child.
She have picked me
water
now.
gone.
So why you don't want to talk to
And your
me?
mother, me bite, you know
It's
the,
the same place where you did
you know the eye jug them, the eye
Eh,
jug them.
eh,
Me fully a bleach one day, you know.
uh-huh,
I have it in the house and water gone. And then take the bleach and throw in the pot. Boil the water and knead up the dumpling with the same bleach. And you want to me say as a big man, you need the flour, you know, see
Oh
the bleach.
Lord. She
Jesus
not used to clean. You
Christ.
can't blame her papa. She not used
I
to
want
clean.
table,
She's
hey,
full of
I want
dirty
pot
in it.
cloth become table towel.
Oh God, and I'll tell the whole story.
I
that
want
she a
pot
pick up
cloth
out.
become table towel.
I so come and meet you when time I come, when they work at the place, they cook you little food and give me, I say, boy, I have to get you. Me have to get you. It's a good woman to raise my picnic.
Me dey under too much suffering with it. That's why my head did have confused me.
Oh.
Too much suffering with too much sauce of food me have to
The
yam.
months of the day, Jamaica for a bounce around. You ever feel like say you picnic, I suffer. Ah, she, if you know, she sometimes they don't yam, you know.
Wicked.
But me still send me $30, me $20.
Hey! $30 can do that. $30 can do that.
It still can do something.
He can't even buy one pack of tissue. And this year, when I shit like a duck.
Papa, with the two hours we did in the same work, at $250 after tax we walk.
You know, say that money I come disgrace me now.
Eh?
You remember say you did tell me say she a jacket?
In a hand we walk.
You remember say you did tell me say she a jacket? I remember when time you abandoned me and her in her belly.
Where your jacket go?
You remember say me have to walk and beg and see him if you take care of me.
Can
It's
I
alright.
hug you too?
Don't worry yourself. Don't worry yourself. You go about my good business, you know.
God.
But don't worry
You
yourself.
wicked
You know
bad.
say me I go carry a coat.
Me no.
Papa, I go carry a coat.
Papa, me will be your witness.
Me go carry a
Triple
coat.
witness.
Because right now, let me tell you something.
Wow.
Let me tell you something for your information. Kena is not yours. A jacket.
Oh, she not belong to you, Nina.
She's not yours. Mama tell you
You
that.
don't know
I don't
ambition,
fear.
girl. You don't know
I'm gonna
ambition.
take her to
You
court and do the
worthless.
DNA. She's not
Dirty,
yours.
worthless mama. When I say, me have two picnic now. Me have two picnic now. Lord God, the whole piece of wood would have gone last up there. Lord God.
Right. Come, go on over.
Hey.
Go over.
Daddy, I shop it where
She
What happened, my brother? What happened?
Boy, I'm stressed out. 3 pitney. Boy.
One.
Me regret it still, you know. I regret it because from a breed, my woman, the first woman I did have, and get a girl picking it. I'm going to take up Fluffy and breed her and give him one and then go back in the same period of year where he push out the picnic and breed him again. A fool.
Fool, you fool for true. About talking about 3 picnic. Which one do you have 3 picnic? Open your eyes now, my brother. Eh? Well, every little penny you have, you spend on them. You spend on the next man back bearings.
And my youth.
You do DNA, they look like we. Every one of our family have the birthmark. Me see the birthmark on 1 out of 3.
Listen me. I'm 14 years upon my case. Right? You can't rest now.
Become here when you turn puppy sure.
No, me meet the Fluffy when I'm a virgin. I'm not taking virgin. Me take it. Yeah, me take it. Down on the beach.
You and who else?
Huh?
You and how many others?
Me alone.
You idiot.
Yeah.
You ever drunk, Popeye? You don't even know when you're in, much less some in here. So how you know if virgin take or if you gone in a rabbit hole or reindeer hole?
Fire burn pan rabbit hole and reindeer hole. I go the right place and it bleed.
You got there when she up on our period, that she trick you.
Chico.
Yeah, idiot.
So you know so much and you can't talk about trick me.
Everybody have our name out the road. You know how much name called and them the 2 picnic? God bless them, is not their fault.
Bad mind. Because me are the first out of the family get 3 youth. I ain't no get none. You bad mind me.
One and you barely sure about she have the markings.
No. You bad mind.
And she kind of favor you too.
But
the other 2, which part me bad mind you? How me really for bad mind you as puppy show? You take your money, you not that you drink for sober up. But if you did take your money and buy rum and enjoy yourself, it's not too. But you take your money and turn puppy show. I walk around with them, the 2 girls, and I say yours. You know how much name call on that?
No name no call upon my picking them. I'm me alone. Me a girlis. Me a father of the year.
You're foolish. You're idiotist of the year.
What you talking about?
Go look it up. You're idiotist of the year.
Even daddy.
Hello. Evening. What? Oh, so no more. I think slow, man. How am I do? Am I eat a lot?
She not that slow. She quicker than you think.
No, man.
No, me have to really stand up and look for you because I wonder what that do you.
That do you, girl?
With scandal.
Listen, girl, if anybody has scandal at you,
with a black scandal
me and you know the real scandal. If I the real puppy show idiot, go a scandal bag. Everybody not only see through you, then go through you, and so tell them, bust you wide open. You don't want to share your confidence without them.
You don't have nothing.
Brother,
open your eyes.
Yeah, man.
Are you a tell her how under me look?
No, stand up.
This smell under how you look.
Stand up, yes, sister, and shut up your mouth, no?
Hey,
look at
how can't come between family.
Get rid of the blackboard, no?
Ha!
No, back up yourself now.
Back up myself. Me not back up myself.
You can't diss my sister,
back up myself for what?
Because me and my sister come from the same mother, you know. So you can't diss her. Anyway.
Me no want to get down for you, you know. Listen, she over here come talk about jacket.
When?
Tie.
Yeah, because when me a come out, I swear that me ear she say about jacket. You think not ear? Me ear. Yeah. Oh no ear.
Winter jacket.
Jacket.
Winter jacket.
Come talk about this and talk about that. Listen.
But we are jacket.
Hello. What's the problem? What are the funny road?
Yeah, we are mother work. We see our stuff.
So when I go?
Ask mommy when she go. She will work with.
Where the care them go?
Sir, the collect become collect. That me come from. I pitney them allowance.
They just 3 days ago, me give you $15,000.
How much pitney? How much are they see in front of you?
Close them. Remember, say me have other one, you know.
$15,000 can do.
You cycle or 3D. Look how long 3D gone.
How you teach
The
you
real
putting them
puppy
say?
show.
Where you teach you putting them say?
God.
So them
is
people
not
not
this?
mind them.
Hello.
$15,000 can't
3D
do
gone
nothing.
already.
How you think this is?
You know how much
You think I'm offering?
you know how much baby mother out there now and get $2,000 per child?
I remember we eat enough too.
Where you come at
So
that?
$15,000 can't do nothing.
Lunch,
2 hours.
breakfast, lunch
Plus
and
work
dinner
past
plus
school.
supper. What you think?
Hello. Park it up, puppy show.
Go on pharmacy, go buy wash out and wash out the worm them out of them belly.
Your daddy a puppy show. Your
I don't
so-called
care what
daddy a
them
puppy show.
have. I just come for colic. I'm a left for
give
me
yourself
because
a
I so don't smell right. I need for left for you so.
Give yourself.
Every minute chop in a little alligator mouth just
Open your eyes when you
hear out
handle
in that
it.
place.
Alright, you know me I say. Be
What
yourself.
I can say she no black and you brown. And she the put them take care of her.
No.
Achoo,
We're
achoo,
not
sis.
no jeans.
Achoo, see
You
them.
know the truth and I know the truth. Only this you wanna know the truth.
See them, I wanna see
Only this you want.
No.
See, she admit it. You know the truth.
Look on the color.
You know the truth. And I know the truth. The whole land know the truth.
Alright, daddy, we don't chat you know one money for gas school now.
Fuck up the money, puppy show.
Are Papa get them? Are you get them? Are Papa get them?
No, we not get them. Well, you better go find the owner. Go find the owner.
Yes. Alright.
What a way smell of
deal with
sperm?
you.
Who for
Alright.
sperm is smeller?
Sis. Calm down.
Wash your hand before you come a road, lady.
Alright, you are.
So mommy, so when you forget money after your argument,
Me check it later. Now check it later.
Actually, you see your worthless sister over there.
Me go check it later.
Okay, that fuck you long
Me go check it
time.
later.
Papi show.
Go on, later me check it. Me not no money for me now. But so later me check it. Go on.
I hope so.
Go on.
You think you?
Since how can the embarrassment on the road?
Brother, you know, look on the woman.
Let you.
She a piss pan you now, even call it rain. You know, see she come out to the lane with her trousers undone. Eh? You leave her this morning with her clothes undone. She will come out to the lane with her
Her
pants
belly
undone.
big, so she have to pull it down so she get more space in the pants. When you expect the pants is tight. When you want it to squeeze up, suppose one next one in the belly.
Okay. Where the red nose? Where the red nose? Bobo. Where the red nose?
You don't understand.
Eh, you don't understand. You know if you understand, man. Bobo. You know if you understand. Me gone.
Red nose. What am I talking about? Sure.
So here what happen now? We go check the man. I'm telling about. No me at that. So here why? So when time we reach there, me want to no call him daddy.
Alright.
When the father don't know about this one.
Get back here.
So me want to no call him daddy. You hear me say? So here what? You know so we want the little money.
Yeah.
And where your father give me already and you know you go cause you little piece of house so we live in
You
a
want to build up something better.
yes. So here what? You see when time go? Manners, behavior. Approach him properly. So you go take off our money for him. Alright. I'm not going on.
Say prayer. Say.
even daddy.
Evening, what about my daughter?
For I'm my baby daddy.
Daddy,
My there.
you good? Alright.
Yeah.
Alright, good.
So you look so sleepy.
Boy, I'm telling man, I'm tired man. Whole heap of things me there.
Well, what's my carry them people can look for you?
What me not understand and like how I be a no one then I bring them come.
God, yeah,
Sometimes
yeah,
I have to wonder if them are for me cause one brown and one black. One a chocolate and one
A dark chocolate, no worry yourself. You run in our family. So that's why they come black.
So how you bring them for?
Well, you no talk to no father. Talk to no father, cause you see.
We hungry and want money
Yeah,
to buy something.
buy something.
In time me talk to him, he no believe me.
So I'm to no mother.
She not have no money, that's why we come to you.
So me have money.
Cause you're father.
So
Cause then you alright. Remember
But no
she
matter
not
how have
alright.
you, we
How
come to
for
our father.
responsibility?
oh,
Who for responsibility?
well anyways, not too have not much for me, but that's why me can't find the house. Don't move.
You just try for key up, boy, you don't have no money and this and you know that. Around bar, you want to look at money for go now. So you have to call it before you go around bar. You love the bar more than you love himself.
Like him can't find the money, so.
See me, I went there.
Yeah, man, you're forward.
Hurry up, man. Me have somewhere else to go, man. Me have something to do.
Alright, that's 2 year older one. You hold on for this, sir.
$500.
Yeah, look for one.
Daddy, me no want that. Daddy, me no want that. Come again, daddy. Me no want that.
What's it, oh, Jesus
Daddy, you have to give me 5 bills too.
Yeah, look for you're lucky to get this. You know how much pitney I go in bed without this. Yeah, look like one. What you do with money? Hold this.
So where they? You know want pocket money? You know spend money?
She a little girl. She didn't even fear get no money from me.
Well, me buy what she want. Give her money. Give her money.
Alright.
Equal, you can't do it so.
You hold this.
250.
Alright, share it. Yeah, mother now. Hold this, sir. Hold this. Yeah, mother.
No.
When you find new man, me not like you.
Me want money. Me need money for spend. Don't run put me. Don't run put money come on to my money.
This is your money now. Daddy, you have to do them things there. You know, you have to know for work.
$50 you want to look for mommy
and we
again?
are saying.
So,
remember, she bring up on the earth, and if I never she would there.
Me and the mother not there again, you know.
Yeah, but if I never she would there, so you have to work out the thing good.
Tell him again.
Yo.
Don't run put me when you come on to my money. You're bright. Come on.
Go
Wanna come?
Go on, come back.
We are going to come back when we hungry
Sorry,
again.
me come down here. Your damn pocket broke like.
Morning.
You must just awake. Cause on the morning. Aye. 4:29. And you come tell me morning.
Look here, I'm gonna come pick you. I'm not coming for hold a conversation with you.
Oh, God. You see the lifestyle we want to live. You see the lifestyle we want to live. Look.
You see what the old black ugly tumble about picking it them you fuck you out long time and nothing. Look here, don't
Me take
test
care
me
of
like
you all
that.
I know. Me take care of you all I know.
Come now and give me a little money so I
The
can go about my
company we are
business.
par with, and them black your friend get money most of the time.
Nothing wrong with him. Not a thing wrong with
You
him.
don't see something wrong with that?
No.
The par good. You don't see nothing wrong with the friend?
Not a thing.
Huh?
No, oh yeah,
Oh boy.
I don't know what kind of stingy father this is you have, you know.
girl, I don't know neither.
But he's a big fool. Because look how he animal said complexion, eh? And he love give the black crusty dry head pitney them. Who all of the money?
I left me if you give me some look.
I left you to suffer.
Right.
All the rat one. All the one of you want rat pitney. And then you have the mus. My God, the two of them combine.
Ratatouille family.
Me
Weed
say,
head. Weed head. Where you they look like you have bun weed.
yes.
Eh? I them road here one fella.
Come now and give me money. You chat too much, man. Come, you chat too much sometime.
Buy one juice with that. One juice and one chips. That must can full of belly.
Come, you have good money in your hand and you look for me can't give bad man 3 bills. Look here. You're very, 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 very stingy.
Backside. I'm glad cause I can go use this buy one drink of rum.
Yeah, go on.
Yeah man, live life with your
Me
friends.
a weed
Ah, that
head
the way I go
and
do.
you a rum head.
Rumhead.
That's how your teeth they look so.
So we are Tap no, turn off, man.
You see what kind of friend you have? You see what kind of friend you have?
Yes, if you did that, give me money, me would have to
Yes,
go
if
to
you
road,
can't
go
get
look what
Harry,
them
get
there.
the shop.
Mind you pop me chain.
You
Look
want-
here, go sit down. Daddy chill now.
Yo, look, you think you can rob me? Me rotted! Hey, girl! Hey, girl! Where you really stop me for?
I want you to open your eyes, my brother, and stop farm fool. Everybody else here is an idiot. The village clown, the village
No,
idiot.
listen to me. Me no know village clown. I must know which pick of mine, and the three of them is mine. And I'm proud. I am proud to be a daddy.
You have a 1/3.
No, listen.
You have a 1/3.
Listen what me I try to tell you, say. You see, if you get picnic, you'd have come out from my back long time. But three you don't get none, you'd have probably keep.
That not had nothing to do
bother
with
me
it.
and
I
I
know
tell-
my family. All our family have the
But
markings.
they have your color.
So, look how much black people are all over the world. Look how much white people, brown people, yellow people, purple people. That not say, brother, do a DNA
Do a DNA for what?
to make sure you want to know so the numbers is right. What you gonna do? Wait till them 18 and find out so them is not
No, me
yours?
only interested in the brown. Mother say a jacket.
You're idiot.
But
You
then-
think say color make everything?
Of course.
You're really
A
idiot.
color run. So if me and somebody dark should get a child, and that child is brown, I would say it's jacket. But me dark and if somebody a little bit brown, I would say yes, it's mine.
That's why tickers pick you. You're a real jackass idiot, eh? Eh?
You know, so sometimes me wonder if
Cha-cha.
you just that hate me. That's a look on my blood them and I call them jacket.
No, me no look for all share them and call them jacket. Only the jacket and tie and the suit. And only call them ring too.
I want them to go. But see how my picnic. Boy,
Yeah.
I tell you.
Jacket and tie, you call the suit and the tailor appears.
Evening, one I go. One really I go. I don't want no. One really I go.
Welcome to daddy.
I don't get reward with the walk up.
Yeah. I will see you.
So you can give me no buy juice. We're thirsty.
So the money when me come give you no matter yesterday after.
Daddy, every minute
What
I
one
listen
really?
to the daddy that can't do
If
ya
it is.
2 hours we eat done. We
We eat
expect
enough.
daddy we eat no food at 2 times, we eat for the 3 times. You must say so now.
Me and my sister live under one roof
Yeah.
and we not eat so much.
Yeah, cause we small. We can't budget food away, but we can do it. So we want more food
Where food I go?
in our belly.
One in on the foot and one in on the head.
Yeah.
So every eat your foot get bigger and your head get
You
bigger.
see to our head? It's to
I
our
too.
head big.
No, you get
Yeah,
your
and that,
auntie.
no, bigger. No one in our family.
No man, you have your head,
Not
man.
running them. Remember,
big
God
head
knows.
there.
I'm from Unabon. Your papa spend money. Say, he should have gone further in life, you know.
Money
Enough.
at that way I say, you know.
And enough for make it last, so no man.
Make it enough so much.
And
So
it's
we
like
have to,
leech.
every day and ask you for money. And if you make it be enough money. So we
Yeah.
have to say, Jesus Christ, every day we are going to daddy.
We just ask for juice money. Because we thirsty.
But one good question I want to ask
You know,
you.
daddy, I think money go
When I go on the road, them a time I evening.
we are
That
walking
me a
down the road.
go do what?
We just a walk.
And that we are say we are church to foot them.
So no down the yard for do.
No, everything that we are do it already.
No book, no did if you take up and study. 5 plus 5. 10 plus 10.
20.
20 plus 20. 40 plus 40.
Yeah.
We're not ready to come.
Brains running away
We
from
come,
the
daddy,
little.
we come for your money.
40 plus 40.
Want the money.
Money.
See it?
I
A juice we are
and you not see. You know, little girl.
We can't realize anytime we forget money.
You're in there, yes. You see,
And
and
you
she
ever the
stop
cuss.
it, yes. And you stop with it.
And I know you will
every
ask
time
me.
we come to our father, you ever stop it.
Why you
and
fi find your real father?
That's our business.
You can't buy one juice, cuss now.
Boy, I mean, I know if me say auntie still, I mean, I have it like
Them
that.
favor you.
Yeah.
When you come so. You should even take one right now. You should even add up one and keep.
Take her. Take her.
You know me.
Take her. You don't take ownership and possession long time. Me now come right back the
So why now you
boat.
say if you're no auntie, why every time we come to our father, you jump in?
Because he's my brother. Me know that by blood. Eh.
Whoop. No manners. Anyway.
Man, you could never rank so as
Come
picnic.
on, we are go up so. But hear me I say. You can't judge the book by the cover. They are my bloods.
Do
They
DNA.
have your complexion.
Do DNA. Do
That's it.
DNA or me now stop done call you Bobo.
Can you still upon that?
So I go on.
No, go on.
So where
Me-
kids them there?
Them gone down the road before me. So,
Oh. It's a good look, man. What they gonna do?
no, normal kids as usual. Them gone down the road, so them a go walk out and something.
Walk out them a time, yeah.
Our time now. Oh, let me see. Come on, man, I just 5 o'clock. You go like you're too strict, you know. You put them can't walk out.
Them too young for the on the road them a time, yeah.
Well, do you know them so then gone buy them little sweetie and something, so what me I go do again?
Hope they
I'm
come
just
back
gone
in
pan the
time, you know.
road.
I hope they come back. Cause me no want nothing to them, you know. Nothing at
No,
all.
nah, do them. What fi do them?
What you mean what to do them?
I hear them born and grow. What fi do them?
Alright, then.
But it not trouble them, man. Don't worry yourself. You know, say you worried too much. I wonder if you worry over me, so.
Me a worry over you for.
What you mean, so you worry over me for?
You look like me
So
too.
you look for me so far.
You look like me too daughter them.
You know what? Why?
So your sister.
It come like every man me take up a problem. Here what? Go on. Go on up tired. Me so go on, me so come.
How that?
You make sure you
And
forward.
stuff and worry yourself.
It's fine out, brother.
Stay and hold up my time.
How then there? How is man? How is man?
Jesus
They turn up
Christ, this little chichi in me.
How is man? They turn up with?
We are worried
Come
about
here
which
to
man
me
me turn
talk
up.
to you. Come
We
here to
are
me
worried
talk to
about
you.
which man me turn up as a with for.
Oh, which
And none of your business.
man me just say yes a with? Talk to me good. Me want to know.
I'm a friend. I'm a friend.
Your friend no? Are your friend?
Yeah.
Our friend.
So me can't keep friend.
Alright, baby, you can keep friend.
Well, like I said, me can't keep friend.
Huh?
You're a real bobo.
Where are these news already for me? What them bubble?
Is another candidate for do the test pan?
But where the hell this
Is
is?
another candidate for do the
How where
test
this little...
pan?
No.
You know, somebody tell us if you take your sister out of me and your life.
My sister.
Take who water. Let me tell you something. A blood make me and him there. A screw make you there.
Yeah, she have a point. She have a point.
Why?
Blood thicker than water. She have a point. You know yes, sister. Just calm yourself. You have to just respect your sister-in-law.
No matter what you are going to try, you can't get me out.
Everybody don't get you out.
You
already.
can try and try
Everybody
and
don't
try.
get
You can't get
in
this
and
year out.
and all
My plant right here, so.
Yes,
you're a real tree.
My plant
Growing
right
at
here,
every
so.
part of your
Yes, I like that. I like that still because the plant, right? Yes, sir.
And my man this.
As well as others. Yeah, man.
Till the tomorrow and forevermore.
Oh,
As well as
yo,
the others.
you hear
So
that?
me want to know what you for.
No, you can't. You're gone too far now. You're gone too far
Yes,
now.
you've gone too far now.
I fear money mostly spend for the picnic them. When me never have it back then. I fear money by Pampers and then them shit like a duck. I fear money by feeding. So if you have man
So what you look? What you looking?
Well, you
What you
never
looking?
mind your
What
picnic.
you begging and what you looking
Begging
for?
what?
I fear food.
Begging when
then
me
them a
beg my
daytime.
brother for open him eyes, cause everybody and the town knows say the
No,
whole tailoring
go
shop.
listen, no bother with it.
For you, brother, me stop.
No, go listen.
For you, brother.
My youth them, they have your complexion, my youth. Then I have, and every picnic, when I have them father complexion, a jacket in
Hold on. You say you there, sir. Tell me so me can't deal with your sister, so. Guess when me pass him the other day?
Where?
The other night.
Where?
Eh? When me a come in from supermarket, guess when me pass him?
Where fast?
Out a bridge.
Oh God, you full buddy.
Out a bridge me pass that. And if you see when in a two,
So well,
you have to one day for big woman that.
No, I don't believe you. You see my sister out there collect her money.
Where?
She have
Where?
business
In
over
our.
She have a business shop over there. I hit me tell you, no, you chat too much.
In a two have that and the two of them out the door.
girl, when you lie, you try to
Belly
good.
skin too.
Oh God, hush,
You want to see her?
hush.
You know, some feel like something wrong with you.
What's wrong with me? What wrong with me now? Tell me.
First time when we used to know you back then, you were so lovey-dovey and you were so nice. And you were so squishy. You come like them, where teddy bear something their name. What their name?
Lada.
Slushy. Squeeze, yeah, that's squishy, yeah, that's nice.
That's for me and you.
But you know,
You see, since this tumbling bug come crawling in our life, me have to flat like a angels. Me have to flat like when angels touch water.
God, that's because the demon come out to you, my dear. You need an exorcist. You see, when the frater come out to your mouth, pray
no.
and call on the Lord. Because the devil
You know,
And you're the only devil in our way.
You know where you do wrong? You know where you do wrong? You say you frat like an angels when they come out.
Yeah, she make me ratty
No,
like
you
that.
do it wrong. My sister, you know, in our words, because you should have just looked at her twice and she come like Pepsi when they jump rusty nearly night, you just shoot in her ear.
Jesus Christ. So you're back up with your sister now?
We are blood.
No. So you're back up with she?
Alright, and I don't know if you answer, the main part if you answer, why the two bad getting picked them up on the road?
Then go and buy them sweetie.
And top of asking for money?
Yes.
Just show us
A
that.
sweetie money they have.
Like say, I sell out the picnic them to man, you know. I go and go
How them know? How them know? So them gonna see you on the road for ask you.
I'm a
And
cover.
go on a shop.
Them don't know so them wait. They don't know so them a go see you on the road, you know.
Come on, go
But
on.
then say them a go shop go buy their sweetie. But you see you.
But we see it tomorrow. Me I go take out a last weekend, see, me I take me two picnic them. I go and take them in with me and my sister.
Take them and go on with her.
Yes.
Take them and go on with her. I'm sorry, say I did put myself with a parasite like you.
You see, when you do the test and
you
you
know,
prove so them is yours, they're welcome.
So you know, take them, we don't bother with the test business. They can't do tests. Tests not really necessary. Tests break up family. You never know that?
I'm pet test give your answers, my brother.
Oh.
Yeah.
You know,
test
say I
your
sorry, say I
answer.
did go put myself with a parasite like you.
You see when the truth
You know
come
that?
out, you see when she a fraud again. See the fraud
Because
come. Run,
if
brother, run.
you go take for your side. When me and you did in the bed, what she did there?
I true, baby. I true.
When she a fraud
Tap it out now. Tap it out.
She
Zip
the
it.
fraud
Zip it.
up.
Zip it.
Hey,
Cried up.
Zip
It
it.
look like that man that want me to lock.
You will find out.
Later.
Not
Yes.
It look like you want me lock shop.
Come on.
You better come on,
We are
boy.
good on.
Go away, girls.
Girl, then I call her last night.
Me here, me got me very early. They tired.
Oh. Anyways, girl, you know, so me tell her about Shein now, me all of some of them are from Shein.
You have to mind in a cause when they come, I only one, this one all one, they good.
Me
The rest
God.
of them come up, pop up. Me have to glow them up.
I make,
Baby rat, most go about no business. Me didn't want to see you right now. Go on now. Wait, what? No, me a bigger one. Me a ratatouille.
You know.
Oh, so me can walk and come out anytime with
Another will come boss still.
Where
Come for
you
ask if we can get our money, please. Go buy.
Help me look for the whole of my
enough so. But
Aye,
Jesus,
take out the finger out of my friend
and then
face.
you will come to us, she will come to her sister will come.
Help me look for the whole of my chat
I
because
look up our sister we are big and you we are big.
We're not talking
That we are big. You're out of style.
look up in here, so
You
look
are
over
giving
here,
money,
like
you
people
are
from
giving
beg. We not feel love beg.
family happy. And that we are still.
So you hit back now, keep your mouth no
Look
Liza.
at me, juking here. Don't play with
Liza, keep your mouth no.
Yeah, put your family sister girl.
Shut up and see your mouth.
Man,
Damn now you know see then we gang your girl a two look over
me give them
tattoo.
can't do it, you know.
Man, we are doing a look.
That's some move first man.
No, it's time. Wait till every time for you know something right them.
Where you want?
Money for God.
I don't got no go to your papa, your papa alone.
Look young girl. Shut up now, sister. We are beg. We are beg.
You we are big. Yes, you.
Stop touch me.
Stop touch me. Stop
touch me.
All
right.
One down your road. You too no. You too no.
We box here, see.
Me no want hear my sister. I got on certain way. Me no like it.
What you mean by? She ring something.
I was gonna say, I don't think she say down with this man yeah. But
Lock up your mouth. Lock it up.
What?
Lock up your mouth. When me tell you that?
What me hear
Lock
come out
up
her
your
mouth?
Did I ever tell you something done with your father? Me and your father, no father can't done.
I got your mother say.
No say that.
She never said that.
So me no know where she a come to about.
She said, answer my question. She said,
She said, "Feel like a mouth." Cause I that me ear, man, want my ears them clean.
You know, say that little girl where you have there. She too wassy.
no.
And enough and lie.
Who making wassy? I will push her out. And me and you.
Are you always a start the
one of
drama
them
with me
there.
and make them see me and you are cuss all the time.
Me a video and can't come show you see and not lie. Those wait.
Yeah, idiot.
Okay.
Look
So
at
that's a gone.
You know, say
How
go
was
back
a
in your
gone?
mouth up here. You know me I go back in your
You're
mouth.
looking your face up, yeah. Cause you see you too wicked.
But you go
What
on
a
with your
little
father.
girl I feel like
Oh,
I
you
say she
tapping
thinks
her
that me
ear.
and her are up.
You shut
a
up
size
before
up
me
here.
get that off of your head.
You chat too much.
You
of that
shut
you
up. Oh, come
You
on
see?
now. Hey, don't put
That
me.
is when time we nah do no good co-parenting. You understand? Yes, when you make your sister get in between and them tired fissy me and you are jab, and me and your sister yab, and then there's something they lead up to.
So you want to say it's because of me and my sister, make them a yab.
Because of you and your sister.
No worries, I'll talk to my sister tomorrow when she
Right.
come for.
I true you know, cause you see in that
Too much cussing and whining in front of the people
You come
them.
to your father and you are your father. So she say, no, daddy, it's one of them there, man. Cuss her, no, tell her, I
Yes,
say,
why
every
me
time
tell her,
I
say,
come
take
to
your
you,
pill?
tell her, I say, no, come in
Can't
there.
take your pressure.
Take which pill?
We don't have two, that just have one. You can't take your pressure. Them chat too much.
Let me tell you something, baby. You're a nice baby father. Take which pill? When you're bossing at this, me not take no pill.
A boy did to ban and
Well, make we try again.
no, me not try again.
What
Me
make?
under pressure and stress and you want me try again. And me get one more right now, murder. Me not do like you have people them, yeah. We can't maintain pitney and I get one bag of pitney if you do. If you look, does look on them, so. Me name pan life
Let
post.
me ask you something. Let me ask you. When you lock up on your ears, you don't love this.
Yeah,
You know, sweet.
yeah.
Hey, especially when you turn back, you don't.
Yes.
So where you come talk about? Where you going so far?
We can't let go with ears now.
Take
Let
on the
it go
backside,
down.
go on up, go bed. That's all you can do. Go on up,
Go
go
on no
bed.
yard.
I'll make sure not sleep
Go
when
on
you
no
come up.
yard. When you don't see me on no father, lock up on no mouth. On no eye too. Go on no
Make
yard.
sure not sleep
And
when
me
you
on
come
no
up.
father
Come
for
on,
day.
we are going to go get something to eat. Make
Go
sure,
on up.
make sure you know. And tap down for me yard and tell my sister.
I tell her don't call me and I'm a friend.
You know, say,
Lick down him backside.
you know, say.
Lick him down, make him... Go up on your yard, girl. Go up.
Come on, babes. Come on.
No way they mad.
Back like a...
Girl, me really and truly can't believe seeing a box on you two little girl them in front of you.
Girl, me I tell yourself it's happiness cause I eat at them there. You cannot feel argument with
No
Mustafa
man,
Rat.
you see rat one she nah no manners.
None of them not have
He
no
nah
manners.
no manners, she just a flare up so.
A fire MB.
No,
As
sir.
I had look gas to me in blaze.
Girl,
I me I tell yourself,
No,
me I
man.
me I tell her you say
and if you draw up in a
I
hand,
not jump a soul and never birth none, so I not jump a...
how you them gonna embarrass?
They can't embarrass me because me go and like some I don't know them.
Yes.
Well then go and let them know you.
Yeah.
Well then continue go on,
You still
so.
up on the road? Hmm?
What your business for? Eh?
Yeah, my pitney, me have to care.
You not care. You said when me a dead for hunger, me beg your money. What you do?
You robbed me yesterday, no?
Me not rob you. You give me 300. You give me $300. You look at your big pitney and give me $300 but for buy chips and
So what?
stuff.
$1,000.
Okay. So that's why my pitney them can't get them the money. That's why they can't get them full
She
allowance.
went off with the money
Hey,
yesterday.
look
Eh?
how dog face woman. Me not want you rank yourself with my sister. Can you see because of you and your ungrateful chipmunks them when you have back of you, my sister can't get no money. So you see little chance and what she get for rob him, make sure rob him and come out because of you and your
Did I
tree
see
and your
you?
two man to care them.
Did
and you
I
don't think
see
the
you?
father.
Well,
Me not want you see me.
Is
Me
your
already
name
know.
Kena? Am I talking to
Yes,
you?
me name Kena too. See you talk to me.
Huh?
I have 5 girls.
Look a chihuahua. Am I talking to you?
Me a chihuahua.
Come
Me
here.
a rat and most dry head.
Bloody with a rat bat.
Eh?
One
You
love.
are your rat
Just one way I go. Move out of my face. Before me have to box it down here today. Look here. So that's why my people them can't get them allowance.
Hold my phone there. And so comes the word I'm going to flow properly. Come in off anyway. Look at your head, ugly old man. You see, anytime you address me properly. You see, you didn't even come here and ask me how much money I got. I only got $300. I fear. And you look
What if I told you
ugly.
never take out and pocket and run off with?
Me no business about that. Let me use that. They ain't going to man do whatsoever.
Okay. No still money.
Oh man, anytime I get $15,000 so me can't get no money. None me not get. Me have to do over there. Me swallow spit me name ear. Me tired of hit. Me tired for near me.
What?
Look here.
You take me baby daddy money with brute force.
I feel me papa too. I don't fear one alone.
How you so sure? How you so sure?
Me not even sure if the
Oh, you
two
so
you
sure?
go check me and spit them. Not even sure if I feel them.
Them block you.
I'm going to
No worry yourself. Them anti-black and them anti-them
because the man run away. Let me pity them. Yeah, give man. Poor man.
Take the phone. Come out of my life.
Come, oh God, you know.
How about this a mongrel dog, yeah?
Shemawa.
How about this a big
You forgot when you guys shame tree dog at the beach? You forgot?
Come on, man, I pick them. You know, them are still a piece bed. Come on.
Damn right. Come here.
You not even can watch. To one big old grandma come on and
No, you don't have no father. Why we have? As somebody else look for daddy. As somebody else look for daddy.
Give me a chance.
Lick down in Nasi. Lick him down out here today. Lick him down. Lick him down.
Go let
Mash him up.
Go let that big red woman.
You see how I can set the phone over there, sir?
You see how
Lick her down.
You have a jacket and suit. You see there's something where you have. But I suggest you see money where you go use lick me and come a god doctor. You go use that and go do a DNA test. Cause there's no way you poop a black and mama brown. No, you're not black. There's no way you poop a brown and the mama brown and the picnic come black. And the sister brother?
No.
So how the sister jeans are going?
Are you and him couple and get
Look
them?
here, oh man.
Are you and him couple and get them?
Delete yourself. Go on
Right.
my business. Me even it for young. You're not like. They ever want
You know, so that's a yellow, you have a problem.
Left
Right.
Hold your phone.
Even that.
Evening, my daughter. What go on?
You know what I'm saying? You will just come look for.
Sure. I can't for money this trip.
Then I
Money all the time.
yeah.
Every time, so.
Money needed every day. Every day you spend money.
I must chill it. You bring me that.
Every day money spent. Wanna come for?
Money.
Wanna come for?
Money. I wanna come for a little bit of money like yesterday, you know, when I give she $5 and I give mommy $50, and I wanna come with that, you know. We come with top money.
Tell him again.
You know. We come for like all, they give we all a 10 grand, 20 grand and say, oh, this can save every week. Come back next week. And then Monday we come for, wanna come for a little bit of money.
You can't spell money.
Yeah.
Oh, you mean say if people them can't spell money? What kind of illiteracy is that? What this man here, sir?
Him think you're not teach you that him think.
Oh, she?
Walk it, girl, walk it. Walk it, girl, walk it.
Father,
Scandal bag.
Father God,
Good evening, sir.
what is this now?
Me did see you the other day. Oh, me and my brother walk up the hill. You
If
didn't
you
was talking to her. Me did
every
see you,
windy.
no.
Yeah.
You is what, her brother?
Jesus.
No, I'm a baby mother. I'm two daughters them.
So what you laugh at?
Which one? Who is your children with her?
The two of them.
Hi, this turn tie now. Hey, you get jacket and tie.
Jesus Christ.
Sir, let me tell you something. She
Woman, why you never pass on my
and
own
two
business?
children from my so-called Bobo the Clown brother. My brother claimed them. And she put jacket, tie, and suit. The whole tailoring shop. So you get tailor shop too.
In just always a pop-up.
And that way say you walk.
Coming from I don't know.
Lisa, now me daughter them.
So follow her now. You gonna believe her over we?
Who are your father?
You.
Who are your father?
Stand up in front of me.
Oh God, we want
We don't know her. You see, everywhere we go, she come now like she's
Share
a
me
piece
never
of
have a
mix
camera.
up.
Mister, look into yourself. She a browning. You a lighter browning. You have black sister or black brother?
No,
Your parents them black like me?
no.
Okay. And you get them too.
So you gotta take it. So what you say?
Trousers,
You taking what she say?
you get with she.
You hear what she say?
And she try plant my brother with them.
You taking what she say?
So a jacket really give me.
But some don't know her.
Mm-hmm. You don't know your baby father.
I don't know her.
You don't know your baby papa them neither.
For your brother, I'm father. You know me, but for your brother, I'm father.
You never just point to this man and say, you are my father. Sir,
You know, say,
look
you
into it
see
and
you?
check into things.
you
Can you
chat
get
too
the
much. You see
whole
you?
tailor suit? Me God, what? What's it
Lock up your mouth.
So Lisa, a really jacket. Them
No,
They look like jacket to you?
we're black, but we are not jacket.
all this.
They look like no jacket?
All this year, me don't need to do what me have to do already. Me warm up when December come. Take care of yourself. Me a go. Later. Me leave my brother go. Me a go. Later.
Idiot. You see you? You see you? You see you? You want me hold you and just box in your mouth. Box in it. Hey, girl.
And that you forget
see
to
you?
chat too much. Me tell us if you
Why you have to love chat so? Why you love chat so? Keep by your mouth when you see me a chat. You see? Me, I not even want to know back at me. Go about to no business. Go about. Come. Me and you are go down the road. Go about your business.
Go on up your
Love
road,
chat
man. You chat
and
too
mix
much.
up like.
But I will never believe to backside. I know I can't believe that's why me say.
Rat, Muslim, come here. How do you?
After me and mommy and my sister good on this so
Wow.
and she go meet and next man we say our father I'm gonna talk the truth say and I'm my father. Look man run me go me yard.
Me no
I'll
wrong
box
her.
me in my face.
You don't know if it keep by your mouth. But I saw that the exam them here going down the sofa.
Yes.
Oh. Well, yeah, you must know. Besides, just say one more thing I need to get clear. My papa is not your papa. You see your black?
Wow.
No, you see your black?
Wow.
No, my papa brown and your mother brown, so I could never
You
my
take her
father
from
your
auntie.
father. Oh, your auntie breed your mama.
Mhm.
Your auntie breed your mama. I must have it so.
We didn't look on the road the time I was there. Look on the night. Look here.
Daddy, me and mommy are walking I go down the road and my sister, you know, she go back up on the man and she say, our father, you know. And
Wish.
auntie
What?
come.
Hey. What you say that
Auntie
much?
come.
I thought he was your father.
Auntie come, you know. So when auntie come, me say I talk, say, I know him my father, I am my father. And mommy beat me, box me, and say me chat too much.
Me not believe that. I don't believe one word we have to right now. Me feel like me just get another hand back. If I really get a hand back. Look for me and tell me what your mother say.
She say, me chat too much.
Me feel like you chat too much. You took a tell lie for your mama. Anyway, what you want to do yourself?
Oh, me?
It's one, yeah, go. It's one to go. Go.
Me can't, no, me away from my friend. Me don't know about you, but me.
When you say you
Nobody
go in your yard.
no, cause you barely have give me money for buy no, so me don't think you have a need to lick up back everything what in on me.
You need to go in your yard.
I don't
Get
know.
up and go in your yard.
Me away from my friend when my friend come.
Me
when
away
my friend
from
come,
her
my
when
friend
she
come.
move, me
No,
move.
go on with the papa girl. No, go on with
When
the
you
so-called
move, me
papa.
move.
Me don't want you back on me. Go on with
Come on, me see
your
them,
No,
me father
yes,
you
sir.
too.
Good.
Let me
When-
go now, girl.
When you move, me
Look
move.
here. Control him now. Take him with you now. I feel penny, you know. I him underage, you know.
You're underage too.
No, I'm not underage.
When
too.
you move,
you have your
me
pitney,
move.
you don't even know your pitney age. I am 18 years old.
Since when
and
you're
that's
18?
long time.
You do not reach
Me born 2007. Where I tell me, say, check my birth paper. Check it.
You're still a child, no matter what.
I am not a child.
When you're 21, you're the adult.
Well, mind me then, so I can't feel like me are you picking it. Mind me.
Me not supposed to mind you. You're
Exactly,
18.
so allow me. Right, me are 18 then.
Follow-
Him by here.
Yeah.
Me away from.
Goodbye.
Follow her. Backside.
Yes, girl. Me tell you, say the whole tailor shop she a game. Yes. As soon as my brother come, me I go tell him. Me hope him listen to me this time. How 14 years a jacket come. Oh. All right,
God,
girl.
I'm tired.
Talk to you later.
Tired. Oh, God. What's going on?
Come sit down, brother. Come sit down.
Oh, God, have mercy. Oh, yes.
How was your day?
Kind of little. good and bad and rough and stressing because my daughter come tell me say mother box him down because he tell one man say man and father me and father me not understand.
So you know.
So me,
I'm sorry, my brother.
No.
So you don't believe her?
No.
Let me tell you something.
No.
Me did there.
I ain't no phone me.
Me come round. Me come in your room and check and nobody not there. That's why me I sit there and say, me supposed to go back to my store shop and me not go.
No, nothing like that. Nothing happen like that.
No, me I tell you, me not here, me witness. Me can't go court. She have the 2 dry foot girl them behind her. And when me up, you see the same brown man that did up at the hill that she turned back and make him walk up with them. I him.
No.
I me hear him and say, you can't done the money already. You can't done the money. We just give you money yesterday. That can't done already.
No,
and
man.
they say, yes, daddy. And then when me ask him, and then him asks them say, yes, you is my daddy. You is my daddy. Until me start put him in them and let him know what I go on. Then your little mouth him I say, Miss Mouth Rat, turn around and say, no, you're not my father. That's a make. Your whoring girl box your daughter, so-called daughter, because she taught the truth.
No, I don't think so. I don't think so. Maybe I have some planting into one now, you know. Feel like you are my daughter plan this because my woman would never ever in her life, entire lifetime think to do that to me. A star boy like me. One that like
idiot, you know, brother. You're really idiot, you know.
No man, he don't do that, man.
You all see the man me I talk about.
No man, he shouldn't do that.
No, so who him be? Me all ask him. Me ask him on the stars, you know, if him is her brother or her cousin. And him say, no, I'm her baby father. So me say, which picnic? And him point to the 2. Him point to the 2 of them. You are claim and said them is his.
Alright, first thing tomorrow morning, I make she come down here and make she clarify everything right in front of you. Make sure you're right, sister. If you're not right, remember that I have the first preference over the house. You know? Me can put you out.
Put out what?
You know that I can put you out.
Put out what? Put out what?
I am the only son for my mother. My mother said, listen to me. It's when me pass, you forget everything because your sister woman can find a man and marry to and get land. You cannot find a woman and marry and get land. Because a woman now give up no land.
Try. Never mind that though, brother. I have the foolishness, may I tell you. Shall do it out of streets. Look into yourself and do the test. And that may I tell you. Do the test. Do the test and you see if me wrong. Make a hat, buy a hat, and me name it. You can put the salt and pepper on it.
Alright.
But do the test here.
Tomorrow Mexico.
Alright.
Rest your nerves.
Rest your head.
Okay.
Hey, what a bam bam.
Yes, you me I look for. From morning me I look for you now for your yard. You. Yes, man, yes.
So you look for me for now?
Me hear some man that own up my picnic them. So me want to know if a jacket me have mine.
Which whistling bird tell you that coming? Me can't understand.
My sister tell me last night. So he see you on the tall brown man and the brown man that own up the picnic man and tell the brown man say look on the color and look on the two other color.
Jesus Christ, what a woman lie. She lie, and that's why she black say no. Lie poisoner.
So I lie my sister tell.
Lie poison body, that's why I'm black so I look.
I think say.
So which brown man for own up your picnic them now?
So she say.
All the time I tell her say them a jacket car you brown and them black. So which other brown man for own them up now?
What a liar brute. Yeah. You have false memory
you
too.
Up here from?
You have false memory to my girl. Like say you never did it.
Every time me and my baby daddy
ask her who the tall, brown, skinny man was when me and you see that time. And she sent him where? And him same one.
Stop
and you told her to them say him and them father. When him asks who are your daddy, them both point to him and say, but you are my father.
You sure? Stop walk and watch your brother. And that you fi do. Why everywhere your brother there, you up here? What happened? Where you walk and watch your brother?
He's my brother's keeper.
Let me ask you a question.
And him not there foreign, him not need suit and tie and jacket and coat.
Where you walk and watch him for?
Where you walk and cheap on him and give him closet
Are you me cheap on him with? Are you me cheap?
Oh, so she cheat. Are you she cheat?
Yeah,
Okay.
you?
I don't mean come on but you cheat. No, you just say you cheat.
I am man.
You're fool-fully.
You cheat
You
on me?
just...
With who? With our name so?
Let's see. No, maybe not cheat.
Where you take me for cheater?
No, say, you know, say, love, I'm feeling
You see?
Don't worry.
Yeah, you gone past Bobo the clown, you know.
Yeah,
Yeah, Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer now.
But,
All you need is a full red nose.
but she say you have to lie.
You're too good for me, cheap.
Okay, baby. Nice.
Where she a comfortable?
You swimming other men juices
Excuse me,
and
me
go
have a bill
on.
for that.
Go on with your suit, you can't go in your closet. Cause when in the dark, have to come in at the light. Go on.
Sis, come here. I want to talk to you. Look, you see when you see me woman? No, don't tell me say my cheat.
No!
You see
Cause
when you see me-
Rudolph don't want to know.
You see when you see me woman? No, tell me say a jacket
Tell her,
to give
tell
me.
her.
Cause my two people them favor
Right.
you. They don't favor me. They favor
No,
you.
so that means...
They have a complexion. So it's my youth them, right?
Yes, I feel him youth.
Then I for who?
Okay.
Right. My youth, a 3 youth me get 2 different mother. She carry 2 for me and the other one carry 1.
Christmas, what a
I go
breeze.
see next one and two for you.
A 2, you know? I can't jacket
My
that.
two them are for you.
Okay.
I can't jacket to 2.
Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer had a very shiny
I'll go
nose.
for you there. I'm going to put on something for
Then you
you.
don't know
And
already.
give one next one, you see me? Alright.
Girl,
Watch us see auntie do.
hey, me see her.
Make piece of money to buy a dress.
Yeah. Auntie.
Hi.
Auntie, hello.
Hello. But nobody rush me with the auntie thing. Come here. Me not sure to me is your auntie.
I
What
mean
mean
to
by
cool
not
black
sure?
like you.
Lord, in the memory
Forget
shot
it
like
off
to
for
the mama.
you.
Me never did it when I own the tall, skinny man.
Me don't know about that.
Listen,
Where you talk about.
listen. Black is beauty. Listen. You're not, my father not be black and mother not be black. You black, so we get the color off of you. Cause you're our auntie.
You see when
You're in that family tradition.
my family tradition me know about. Me don't know about yours.
You know about food cause we black like you.
So auntie, you
see when my
can't give me your money.
You see when my brother do a DNA, then you can say auntie. When you see me,
Suppose him do it
Misha.
and you sure say, suppose him do it and our father.
well then I will apologize when me wrong. Me not afraid for say me wrong.
Pioneer.
If I saw, because for years me I tell your father, I saw me forgot on my knees.
Okay, good. So you're not buy with you.
Why right you know me not have nothing.
You never had nothing.
And
yet.
that we say.
And when we father figure with money, you dey cost.
No, because food is life. We wouldn't have no problem to give no money for food. But right you know, on the auntie thing,
So auntie, where you going now?
me just tell you so ease up on auntie thing, yan.
Where
You
you
can call
go now?
me Miss Charmaine.
Where you going now?
No matter
All right,
to you.
auntie.
Me gone. I know say you ask for money and then
Me say please.
me gone. Me not none for you. Sorry.
Say, I saw black people.
What, my niece?
Oh, God, auntie.
You alright?
No, I'm not alright.
Oh God, what do you?
I want that juice. I can't buy me a juice. I'm thirsty, man.
Oh God, hush. You see, if you was doing juice money, me would have spent you. Me not have it right now. And down the road, me I go for hunt money.
Oh. So when you hunt, you still can't give me a juice for
Then
me?
the must.
Just want to make sure.
All them 2-steppers did see me earlier. And I asked me. I may never have it figure them.
Cha-cha.
So, may I try hunt it down.
Yeah, just go and hunt, man. You wait, maybe leave in here.
You good otherwise, though?
Yeah, we're good.
Alright.
Alright.
Watch the road. When we get the
Yeah.
money, me I go search you.
Yeah,
out.
no, me can't look for you. You don't have to do
Me
that
know
anymore.
say you foot no shot there, so.
Right.
Alright, well
Goodbye.
good.
Yeah.
Chill.
Cocoa fart. What is not this?
I see it.
Hello, Rudolph, my brother. You good?
Yeah, man, we are going inside.
Go inside which part?
Go work. Can't remember.
Go inside which part? Go
in
up.
my house.
Which one room
Of
of
your
here.
house?
We can't work in
Yes,
there.
my
Is it your
girl.
house?
Yes, my girl is me in my brother's house. Your name not depend.
Well, me are going to for him.
If him did like it, him would have put a ring on it.
We are telling her that family must like it, but we just can't afford the ring now.
Okay.
No, him not put a ring pan. Well, you wear
We
ring
put on
on
this
finger,
pan, look.
me wear it somewhere else.
We put on this palette, you know, to show a sign of love. So
To
if
go
you-
with the jacket and to go with the tie.
Why
Yeah,
you
man.
always come pick them jacket? You know, respect them.
Girl, you
woman
not
here somewhere
step
else.
foot in my family.
Somewhere,
What
hold
I
on
tell
there,
you,
hold on there.
confess.
Confess.
Confession.
You are God.
Confess.
You are God that me have to confess to you.
Tell my brother who for picnic them be?
Me not bow down to no
for
blackbird
picnic?
to come and to you.
Confess.
Confess what?
You're not
Are
going
you
to me yard.
God?
You're not going to me
You
yard.
are who?
I thought she
gonna
don't
be
get
a-
no
Jehovah
time.
Jireh.
She bad mind.
Woman, you try go on here.
She bad mind because she don't get
Me a
no.
master
You was a
key.
bad mind. That's why I look
Me
for.
a master key.
Babes, come on, man, go inside, go make it sound now. You don't know what I'm
Woman, me go
saying.
some way.
You know, see you bring the crosses with the weather.
Me go some way. Me go to my man house.
You know, see you, it was sunny and bright. Me all did have on the darkers. As me should have know, hear the thunder there. Real judgment.
Judgment. Right now, judgment. For
You
what?
know, going to my family yard, you know.
You know, say you look worse
Confess
than
now.
judgment. Confess
Rain
to
or
what?
fall. It has
Confess
wash
him,
where you
fitness
sin.
them.
Right now, me have crisis because
I must
me
say
start
the
judging
DNA, I must say
them.
the
Me can't
DNA
talk to you.
test you did though. You know, do the DNA yet, brother?
Huh?
You know, do the DNA.
Oh, DNA, you
Well,
man.
then, something or something.
You hear them
Something in
something?
a something.
I wonder if you see that, me tell us to get this destruction out of your feet.
Something in a something.
Go on.
Something in a something. Something in a something.
Make me go in my man house.
You know, come in my house and my family yard this year. I know dopey now go in there cause me a dopey conqueror.
You
Come
trying to
now.
conquer?
Me a dopey conqueror. Come now. You bad now? Him a the sour one. Him a the Rudolph. And me a the dopey conqueror. Come in my family yard.
Babes, she serious.
Confess.
She serious, babes.
Confess.
Babes.
Tell her, say, me the mad one in the family.
Babes.
Me the mad one in the family. Me a juke out here.
What you do?
Come now.
What you do,
Come
babes?
now. Come now. You don't know me who you know.
Come.
Me a juke him to get to you. You know dirty girl. Confess, dirty girl. Confess, cause you not give me no niece. You not give me no niece.
Why you hide back up
Them
in
not
front of
me
me?
know you. My brother
Go on,
can't
go on,
come in
go
him
on,
house.
go on, go
Them
on.
now bring no crosses in
Go on,
here.
go
Yes,
on.
come out your business and confess your business too. Coming out to the rain, brother.
Why you do that?
You might be Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer. I know Christmas in me yet.
But
Me no see Christmas yet.
Me a get a good pum pum. You remember
Don't
that
take
one
your
room,
pum
the
pum
one?
in the bush where it belong.
No, anything going in bush no good
Well,
again.
them in the business. But you not disgrace my
You
mother
know
and
what
father
it is,
memory by bring that dead trash in here.
Your bad mind because me get pitney. I ain't not get none, right? Your bad mind because me have pum pum right too.
Me no want no pum pum.
No, because you know, no.
Me no want no pum pum.
You know, no man. We stand up on you. Enough time here around there with the toothbrush and the spray. Wait, the name? The dove roll on with the spray and the arm.
And they say your imagination gone.
Yeah, me here around there work with it. So what wrong with me if me are the real thing? Me are the real thing.
Tell me, better you tell me, say you're there with it for the fun, man. Me da say yes.
No, she give me two
better
picnic.
you say, me feel sorry for her, me take her up with her two picnic them. Me da say yes. Eh?
No, I
You
feel
got
me
them with family name.
No, me take her virginity.
You're really idiot.
I feel me tired to tell us that. Me don't must know me one picnic them.
No, Rudolph.
I wish man, I go breed one woman and I know that them breed man.
I'm make a deal with you. You hear the thunder? Me make a deal with you, my
All right,
brother.
make a
Me
deal.
not like the argument.
Make a deal.
Do a DNA. Hold on. Do the DNA test. You see? You see when it come back and say no, you have to apologize to me. You see when if we come
Where are now? Where are now?
no, me serious.
You think you funny? You think you funny?
No. if we come back and say them belong to you, you don't know so we can crush you already. Me make the hat. I'm going to yam it in front of you and you provide the salt and pepper. I'm going to go down on my knees and apologize. I'm going to tell you, you're two-steppers, me will do the same. Just do it, my brother.
Can I tell you something? Mm-hmm. How much you doing there?
But I know it's your business, Dad.
About $60,000, right?
Mm-hmm. How much you spent on them already?
Me can tell you something? A 2 pitney. That's 120,000. You know what me can do with 120,000? Them a big heart pitney. Me if you go to DNA now, and when me find out say no fi me pitney them, all when me spend on them, me no get it back.
You don't know. You just see the consciousness. You just say when you find out, say I don't feel pitney them.
Any idiot mind jacket. And when they reach 17, they go do DNA and then change their mind and them pitney better than just live with it until they're old and dead. So when you don't know, you no weak out.
Alright.
Warning go cook.
Alright.
I run in my pum pum, I have to run it down now and see me catch it back.
Alright. Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer had a very shiny nose.
Alright,
if you
Buffalo.
ever saw it.
Sister, yeah.
What's going on? Hello.
Go on away.
Hello.
That's the same like you see right
Hello,
now.
Kena.
No. Look here. No.
Why when you see
You see
you
road
always
right here,
around
so-
with so where
Because
your
the
sister?
only thing we no do is beg, and I don't got nothing
can
to
beg
give.
your
I'm glad you know. From morning we a walk. I look smart if you beg money. Cause mommy nah no money.
Well, guess what? I walk and beg too. My papa and mama no have none either. So you see anytime when you see them road that will look like this, you just continue follow the road. You see if you see me, you shake your hair and walk past. That's how I beg on for the cause. Every day I no come beg. Go beg on no papa give no more money more than how he give me money. Where they are take me to take one money in order to get little money.
Who tell you that?
Oh, me know because
Remember you live with him, so you get
I
more
don't
money.
live with him. I live with my mama. When I live with no mother, I was there. I want to say about 15,000 in a 3 day. Me didn't even get so much in a 1 month. That for sure, no. Just say, no, so we no can do no. We can just continue, no, look here. And you me look here. You see, next time you see me, don't talk me about me for the money. Every time you see me, that you know, things say me have money. I don't got no money. Right now, my auntie me see and me beg her money. And she say, and me tell her, say me I can check her when she get money. And she say, alright, me know me where.
When you see her too and she say she nah no money.
She tell me she not no money, but she say when she get money, she give me.
Anyways, go on.
I go me did I go no where money.
But me I say no, you chat too much and you can't
But
get
that
no
mommy
money.
I tell too much lie, brother. She a got too much.
What kind of money we are do it for?
She should have just stayed on somebody, brother.
That's why we ever happy I go on road and I beg because you chat too much, you make a man talk give you a money.
Oh. That's the say you are the fire in here. I say you are the fire in here. Why you have to use this so much?
Mommy, me explain. Yeah, I got to two somebody, mommy. That don't look right. She should even make we know say two somebody our father said that just tell we who our father and done, mommy.
Oh, so no, who want no father?
Yeah. But
No
yeah,
papa
got
and no
to
daddy.
somebody.
Hold on there. Anyway, when me come for say now, you see? That the man define now.
Mommy, give me your money now.
You beg too much.
Listen, just sit down and listen to me. Me no want hear this. So zip it. Come on me and talk to now, especially you. Can me see where you want to lead this thing to, you know. Anyway, you notice say the man stop going to money because he find out say man no father, right?
Because of you.
Because of you and your mouth. You use it too much. And you see, it cause all of them lack off there. No. What kind of thing that me I hear sound of the pan road I walk and I beg?
Our auntie, our sister, we are begging, not begging nobody else. And that's what auntie or sister will
But
ask.
no matter how it is,
Okay.
hold on your own. Stop the begging. That no good for girl child.
We know next time, mommy.
You know a girl pitney, you know can't walk and a beg. I want no family. Especially that little girl there. I know no sister, I know papa I pitney
I
that.
true, cause here say someone we start for walk straight and look like when I say I like we eye and walk.
Okay. So when you no see him, when you no see him.
And here auntie go tell we say no she not have money. Auntie tell she say when she have money she will
Make
come
she
to it.
stay cockroach full up on the fear bed like our me no know. She a one of them herself. So anytime you see her, just avoid her. Me never say if you go ill manners to her, you know.
Yeah.
Just avoid her. Make she talk what she want to talk, but all me I tell you no, stop, walk and beg. Because you might go beg the wrong person.
Then beg go back.
Okay. Right. So everything alright though.
Yes.
You know. Yeah, I'm right, and but you see you, me no understand you. You come like your papa. Love use him mouth. Me love him, but he love use him mouth. Yeah. That's why sometimes someone no pick me best parents just keep things inside of them and not tell you nothing. You always have a good one and you always have a bad one. So anyway, me I go on the road. Wanna take care of yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. And make sure son don't have no little boyfriend, you know.
No, man.
No man.
You better make sure the child hold up on the head there. So the auntie they wanna have. She already I wash her mouth for you know. I'm not able to hold up on the head.
Alright.
Take care of yourself and try not come out and go up on the road.
Yes, mommy.
No do that.
What?
You just not
You
no
have up on the
manners.
road?
No.
Why?
My God. How is it?
You want me there look fine, you will come.
Relax.
Well, if your last time that you know your phone.
So what?
You don't know silver yard me I come from
Mm-hmm.
with them pitney them.
Mm-hmm.
Your pitney them to stop walk and beg.
No, me can't be. Me not that's not my blood. Me no walk and beg. That's a want to win me. Me no walk and beg.
So what you want to say? A jacket them be? You want to tell me now say a jacket?
How me because me want pick the
So where you
jacket?
go come jump up and tell me about you know in my blood then me no walk and beg. Eh?
Come me no walk and beg. Probably you used to walk and beg, so then you know then.
When you define me I want me to walk and beg you?
No.
No you come over there come beg me someone.
You say me dey ask if you want to happen and you say yeah, sure. And then
Oh, so me did beg you. No you beg me something. I'm so kind me give it to you.
Okay, if you don't do that, man, don't do that.
Oh, so to you, do you want to pick my apple? You give me apple.
Yeah,
Hey, glory, glory, hallelujah. Some people I get jacket and suit before time. Glory, glory, hallelujah. The truth shall come out soon.
we have to talk about.
A full suit thing get you know get jacket.
Fish, bit by bit shall confess.
Yeah.
You alright, my brother?
I feel him pitney them.
I'm like, picking them in and see them favor you must tell me.
No, put them the pity for me. We know them innocent. Them are the innocent ones.
Me not listen to my sister, because I know say, you now have no time to give me no jacket, because if me did get jacket, you'd have fat.
I wish for mother. Get jacket. You don't see how they favor him. You don't see how them black and favor him. And favor them.
So every black people in the universe favor me. Whoa, I saw a family, big brother.
Come baby, yeah. Me like my engagement.
Oh, hey, glory.
That's what we can afford on elastic, you know? Nice.
Elastic, at least she get elastic on the finger. Cause she not have elastic nowhere else. Oh,
We
Lord.
all get married and get the son now.
You can't walk and stop chatting about it in my jacket. That's what they say, you? Eh.
So who gonna be your best man? The tall, skinny, maga man that is the real father. Am I gonna be your best man?
No, my friend now go there, sir.
Me tell you, you know. Me
Oh.
tell us to get her out of my life.
We know you now go there, you know time.
Send her.
No, I don't marry you. Want marry? You want me out of your life, but you want married in my family.
Because by pity them, they know, so them not safe. You want to call child scare?
What happened with
You want to call child scare, promise?
Flash the ring now.
Eh?
How you want married in my family?
Yeah, me
Flash the
show the
ring.
crowd.
Flash the elastic.
My man I got married
Flash
to
the
me.
elastic.
you say bad mind?
Me no bad mind you this, brother. Me no bad mind you this.
Say put
Cause
him
me
out
confident
and
say.
take me in because
Me
me
confident
say, the house
say.
over there, the piece of window
feel.
board, me have to board up because it didn't tap go to way. And you see anytime they call child scare for me over there, you're not gonna like it either.
Oh, so like mother
The
like
only
daughters.
two people where you have in your life, I go approve school. Take
Okay.
it from me.
Where school live?
I said prove school, juvenile.
So I tweeted them I got juvenile. Okay.
What's the matter? My children them time with it.
Are you
Man, you're
Yeah, I
full
get
till you
Put him
full
out
no
and
more.
take me in.
Me want to know how you gonna put out. You have title lady. You have anything there, paperwork and title.
Nail up film part
Ma-
of you hear? Nail up film part of Cub and take me in a few half.
And while you nail for your cub too.
Which one I cook?
You're gonna get you're gonna get football team. And a football team you are. You're gonna get football team.
And netball team.
Yes, man.
2 girls on the team.
Oh, yes. You have 2 girls on the team already. The Steppers team of
I
Jamaica.
forgot to tell you. Right now, me pregnant.
Hi! Who
You're pregnant?
If me pregnant,
Oh God!
right?
Oh, Lord.
See my Superman.
It's a boy.
Hey!
You see
Hey,
that?
hey!
Hey,
Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer
That's what
had a very shiny nose. And what? Me proud of you, my brother. Me proud of you. Santa Claus now have no problem with transport this year.
Go clean out the
Why? Hold on, I'm talking to my brother. I'm talking to my brother. Little girl, how you do? How you do? How you do? Eh? How you do? You don't know me a who, you know? You don't know me a who? Eh? You don't know me a who? You don't know me a who, you know, girl? Hey, if you didn't know, so you're afraid. But I juke you. But I juke out your belly in a girl. But I juke out your belly in a girl. Move the brother. Move the brother. I want to hear your brain, you know. Move now. Move now. Which baby? You're really idiot. Let me show you the DNA. Let me show you the DNA. Let me show you the DNA. Come now. Come now. Brother, tell your mattress for me, babe.
I told me that I moved today.
Look fight. No man.
Me juke out your belly, you know, girl.
You say if me lose my baby, you're not like it. You're not like it.
Sorry.
Me woman losing baby.
What?
Man, nail up for your part of place in the picture.
Try. Safe.
Me
Safe.
put black through the
Safe, Rudolph.
part of.
Safe, Rudolph.
You can't look at mine. Look at chicken.
Oh, put hand on who first? My mother and father grow me
She
say.
never lick you.
She take up thing and lick me.
She never take up no.
You're blind and fool.
She just dey run and exercise.
Eh? So the back will never touch me.
Which back?
You're lucky. You're lucky me in my good shoes. You know?
And you me see a kick her up and a thump her down.
Oh, come
and
to
a
me
trample
first.
her.
She come like say she want ride sleigh. And you are the reindeer. Me no know reindeer. So me I take with myself.
Stop the man.
Rudolph, me I take with myself. Cause Christmas soon come.
Guy, what I tell you?
Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer.
Hey. You know, come on, we go for the work. Yeah, girl, come. And road we are go. Mommy can't tell you nothing.
Enough, you know what?
But watch ya, not tip it that.
The so-called father.
Which one?
We're going
That
stepfather.
Who, me?
Yeah.
Yeah,
So me turn stepfather now.
you were never our father.
You never did father come black on you,
Look
bro.
on your skin color.
Who are the father?
Bro, Papaya we
Papaya
father. I told mommy they want the money for we and him. So he tell us if we call him daddy, so daddy will call him. Now we are stepfather.
Yeah.
So, wanna really come about?
We come for beg your money, please.
Me look like an upper.
No?
No
Where
matter.
party?
But you see the woman, so we ask
Listen,
if we can give you
step-
money.
Daddy.
Mm-hmm.
Me nah mind no jacket nor no step. Let me tell you that. Find no father. I don't come to me about any more money. But no matter one piece of wicked, you see. How no matter wicked, so.
Ah, you never have no sense. Cause look pan for your skin color and look pan for your skin color. Yeah, idiot.
So hold on there. I want to go on here, sir. What's going on here, sir?
So what for you go on?
Oh, so two you find out so them are not for you. So you don't get I look them.
No, mommy, no,
So
no.
what this tight conversation all about?
He not look we.
No, but this not look right.
Where you get that from?
What you don't get talk about? What you don't get talk about? Cause young boy, you know them oh, you see up here, so? No steady. And they love young girl. So,
I don't know like
what
that.
you don't get talk
Mommy
about?
is not nothing
Tell
like
your
that.
Pass
Now
your
where you
pass,
going
now we
there?
see him.
Alright, I want drinks money we are begging. Come remember I used to with daddy, you know.
And it's one.
Mommy!
Let me tell you what I want to say. No, I know that. Go and chat. Come back out here down we know. But to not grumble. No must see a dog. You see all you?
See all me with what?
You see all you?
What me do?
You don't say he's a pervert. You don't say if me didn't know say he's a pervert, mood if bother with you.
No come tell no call them the lie upon me or tell them lie upon me. No, don't do that. Don't do that.
You know say if he wasn't a good man to me with a call down a station right now. Because me can't understand what you're there to with my two teenage daughters.
Them come and ask me for money.
So two you find out say them are not your pitney anymore. Them are yeah them stepfather. So you feel free with them.
But and let me say everything when I walk home.
If you know better, you go brush your little sour mouth. You don't know if it talks out of your mouth.
If you feel better, you go come out.
You don't know if it talks out of your mouth.
You don't know what to say out of your mouth.
Look a girl.
Big woman.
Go on about your business. Go on about your business because you see you.
We have just realized him and the man. I'm the man when they match up.
You see if I never
Look
one
here.
thing.
What you gonna do with that?
You see that piece of big boy there? I would have let it go across your back. You'd have no.
Touch me niece, make me one niece.
Jesus Christ.
Touch me one niece, make me see. Do you know? Touch me niece, make me see. I want to see the day name day you touch any member of my family.
I wonder if I go see me, I see again in my eyesight.
Touch her, make me see. Touch her, we see who are the goats and who are the duppy and who are the duppy conqueror.
You see?
Touch me niece.
I can't bother with the problem. So you see? I would have just lick out all 6 of your teeth them out of your head. You'd have no.
Are you,
why you always appear yourself?
Pick up stick for me niece.
Everywhere you see me, you appear.
Me see him and he pitney them right so and him a beat him pitney them over this man.
Hey!
Me see
I'm
it.
over the real papa. Hey! You know,
Me
see
see
he's
it.
the only child though.
Yeah, me no business. I don't.
Oh, you must there one that say a ushi, don't?
No, you're not chatting with me because you're there blame me for wrongs. Me no chatting with you.
She full
Chat
of
with
wrongs.
them.
She full of wrongs.
Right now.
No, cheer, no, you want next one. You're destruction. You're going where you go. You know.
What you need?
Where you come and fast on my business for?
I'm not fast in your business.
Hmm?
I'm not fast.
You look like me I run shop.
Business.
You look like me I run supermarket.
Yes.
Huh? You look like me I run bar.
One mini mart, anything. You sell everything. You give everything.
No, me ever sell you nothing.
Yeah, me no want nothing for your place. If I'm never tell some ready for meet Jesus.
You whole on no bad mind me for me man, Papa. The whole on no bad mind me for me man, Papa. But baby love, I'm pregnant again.
I don't
Does it
hurt? No, it not hurt me because guess what? He have a jacket and a suit already, so I that at the tie. Complete
No, when it all come down, you are gonna be the jacket.
I don't mind.
When it all come down to the gravy, you are gonna be the jacket.
You know the only reason why you there is because when your parents didn't have sex, the condom never go. That's why they sweet condom factory. That's why you reach your say no.
So what you want to say? Me a mistake? What you want to say? Me is a mistake?
You
And you are what?
so. You should have there so. And then do it there. You ever try come rank up and face with people.
And true, you papa love walk and put where enough you put where enough you go. And that's why you there.
It's because
by mistake too.
No, I wasn't
So
here
true,
by mistake.
you take one mistake to know one.
My niece was well planned.
Right, them never
And
used
well
no
loved and
condom.
well wanted.
Right.
Let me just go
My
on one.
niece is well
Go on.
Why they cuss to the people, them daughter?
A jacket that, me know that.
So how you know say a jacket?
That a jacket. My pitney them have a papa, that a jacket.
So I don't feel me again. I don't feel me them again.
No. Yeah, then stepfather now.
Oh. Alright, since me are then stepfather, can take time going me and go. Look come on, have a nice night.
You go on, your maga like. I should have suck you out dry, left you with nothing. You're lucky say you find out, say the man for you.
Boy. You know, some mommy shouldn't lick with so do her too. I don't know what lick way, give me. Yeah, feel lick me if you feel me dead.
I love how you deal with our man. Aye, and our chest will get too high. Hold on, Denise. Boy, you alright?
Yeah.
But want invite you. Let me just do this as a minute. At this me want. Right. Next week, I want to invite everybody for dinner. All your mother too.
When it gets so nice.
Well, because next week everything in the dark will come in the light. So all on it next week. Next week Wednesday. So tell your mother. So next week Wednesday night, about 7 o'clock or so, everybody for come. What in the dark must come in the light.
Amen.
You know agree?
Right.
Aye. All you two.
Wait, so you pop out me just for when you do it when me I go have to brush up on.
You know, sister, this a house here. We can't do nothing with this. Me want no say. My Lord help me and me can do DNA test and put my brother's mind at ease. Me not have a real question with you, but fear is fear. Right. Now do that for my brother.
Yeah.
All right. So everybody Wednesday, 7 o'clock.
All right.
Hey girl, so when you think we can book a nice little apartment? When you think we can book a nice little apartment and get to hear something done and fix up ourselves? A long time we don't do that, you know.
A long time, we don't do it for true.
Yeah, girl.
Long time, we need to do it for true. We stop picking it up ourselves. We need to start up back.
Yes. We are get flop forward.
You just say fear your father, him stress out.
Girl, I don't really business, cause you know why? I want to take up stress pan for him head. Not as well never send him to walk around and fling you look at something everywhere. Everywhere. Yeah, if you go over there, see John. If you go over there, see look at John. If you go over there, see Big John. If you go over there, see small John.
Well, you have it rough.
No, me don't have it rough.
Cause then they put it away in my mind. Him not even sure if I feel them.
Well, I feel good look at that he forget. He we must learn a lesson alpha whatsoever. Because you know one to girl. Yeah, every day
Yeah.
and
So
he give them
yeah, man, me a
I mean,
come.
sure no say them the pitney they are not fit him and me alone a fit him.
Hey, listen, later.
And me alone.
Me see look jacket on one Stefan win. Me call her back.
Humpty Dumpty like
Yeah, you jacket. But me ask you one question. Where your auntie pluck out my pity them ear gone do with it?
I'm sorry for me then.
I that me would have really like to know where she pluck out my pity them ear gone with it because I look like me. Listen, me no want nobody come mad me pity them, you know.
You know say look big and
Cause your auntie look like a damn movie walker.
Big woman.
You're a big woman. You're a big woman. You're up in the age now. When me can leave young people alone?
Come out, tell me glad is coming in attack to you. No, you, jacket.
Humpty, me dey think you're big enough for
Why you not come out of it? Because you see too. You feel as a big woman.
Hi, hello, bye. Come out of this.
You're a big woman.
Talk to me now.
You
Talk to
feeling
me now,
know
jacket.
yourself.
What you say?
Big people are big people and young girl are young girl. Leave the little girl alone. Because you see them like penny there. Where you care gangy father. Me not even sure if I feel him pitney. Because
Well, you want for sure if I feel him or feel him not.
then the pitney
I feel him. You know how much
man live up the road. That's
girl, let me tell you something. Lock off, sign off.
What wrong? If your mother text somebody pitney they here, you know what I'm gonna take you do with it?
Come and say which other?
Come and
You
say
come and say why in Jesus' name would you can't use here to that?
It because
for me too. I mean,
I feel difficult.
No, me
I
don't say me
feel
a
difficult.
favorite. Do me no.
I feel difficult. Not for me them. Not for me them. You know, say Obe Waka. Hello, me. For your information, you know much man out there with that one pitney, eh?
What?
So tell me now.
So let's say you got
if one next man even
that's say you got
get them.
Fear two dry head pan the one look man will get one pitney. He can't even buy pitney one bun and cheese or one new pair of slippers.
That's a straight jacket. This here way also a straight jacket.
Oh man,
my pitney them me are my baby daddy.
Me are the whole suit. I feel two little black ugly stuff.
And then again, the father don't really have no sense.
Making
like copy head.
I never yet sleep with another man, and that the man take me maiden and inbreed me.
You too big and lie.
Inbreed me and him take me maiden.
You big and lie.
What is that?
What is that? If you did have for you, we don't know.
Girl, the duku. The Bombay.
So you don't have for you. Right now you don't have for you.
Oh, you know, me never have for more than one. What is
you see me, I tell you what is this? How him know say that? How you know say that?
Me there, me go to school. Them teach about them there. Unlike you, we don't dull like that.
I forgot to tell you that this is a big hole.
Say that go tell him. And then go up there and tell him, say, two pitney them way have up there is a big large jacket. Not even jacket,
you know say a
raincoat.
What you know about jacket?
Look on me, papa.
What you know about jacket?
Never have color.
Girl,
the pitney them have close together.
Jacket is black and the pitney them is black.
Don't you roll the go.
No, I say.
Take care now for me and move for me. So me a deal with you. Me not dealing with you.
Stop touch him.
Me talking to the jacket over there, so.
Me there, I your winter coat them. If me a jacket, I feel pitney them a winter coat or raincoat.
Jacket is black and they are black. So you call them jacket. You see all you little girl? Go look for your maid anyway you dash you where you're nasty like.
Forgot tough.
Oh. For you too. Body up there. Oi.
I don't want to have nothing to do there. No,
so why you don't want to have nothing to deal with me now? What happened?
You're one person. You're all over the place. You just have to pick them all over, scatter out.
Oh, so me a come and fall now?
Me see them down.
Am I a come and fall now?
Yes, sir. Everywhere me go, me see them.
Me a fear walk up and down with them, cause sometimes you never give them no money. Me hungry and them hungry.
Most of the time, me see them by themselves, I beg. You cannot have the two girls picking them all over the place, I beg. Man, we beg them.
I discipline them about that already and
they still do it.
Oh, so every day me go beat them. So what you do every day?
I'm a man.
A mother and a father.
I have to work.
The kids them need a father just as well as them need a mother.
Listen to me. As the father, if me did dead, how you them, what you call it, cooperate?
You see, all stone and are dead, gonna wear one thing are dead for you.
Okay. So you plan to bury this?
That very long time. Anyway, what me I say? You see a little jacket that you have up there, sir? One her for me, you see? She just give me a fine piece of chasing. She and her friend. She chase me, not, hey, I beat them, want beat me.
Cause of who?
How you pitney them a jacket? Yeah. You pitney them a jacket.
No, my daughter now saying sister them a jacket.
You see all that sister the way you have there? You saw she ugly?
What she do?
And that's why she can't breathe. Every day she walk up and down and talk about some pitney them a jacket. Where she pluck out me pitney them ear for? You think them a come and fall? Where she hold them and a pluck out them ear for?
Nothing wrong with that second tooth channel there.
You see ugly face? Bout him a Rasta? Young glass scandalize Rasta.
More,
A disgrace Rasta. Cause one day me go over the go see she a cook pork.
Then one on there. Anybody where you see go on like them a Rasta, the real Rasta them, some of them are hide and yam.
I'm glad you
My
know.
sister not hide and yam pork. Me see my sister sit down and yam pork right in front of me. What wrong
Oh,
with that? No
Jesus
meat.
Christ, what a disgrace to
You
Rasta
better not-
society. Eh?
Hello. Are the art if you worry about.
The heart they don't clean. You want to take out and wash and bleach and Dettol and everything.
Once the art clean, you can't eat anything.
That the heart they not clean.
My sister do the
That
right
the
thing.
heart they want to take out, wash with bleach,
Hello.
Dettol, disinfectant,
concerned about right now?
and it need Christ in it because she don't have no God in her.
If my two girl picking them, way out on the road. My two girl picking them way out on the road, I beg. That is my concern right now. Because when you beg man money, you know, man I go beg you back, you know. You could have go beg them 5 times. If they don't beg you 2 or 3 times, I'm gonna beg you the 5th time.
Every time I see you, you forgive me some money, you draw me out with chatting. Oh, you full of mouth, so.
So I beg you, little beg. Take your time, go.
No, me not beg. You're supposed to give me when you see me. Every time you see me, you just give me.
When you can control the 2 young one them and make them top beg, then you will get.
No, why
everything
you
out of
don't? Why? You see? That's how I know you not work with me, no?
it. You see why
You
me left
not work with
you? You
me.
see why me left you?
Why you left me?
Because you don't have no
You
motherly.
can't left me. Under this sun, you can't left me.
You don't have no motherly. You go on, me not bite up my tongue. Go on. You
You
don't
not
have
no parental guardians.
you don't have no motherlyhood.
Look here.
Go on, where you go.
Are you have the hood? I never me. When last
You
time you
don't
took I
have
never
no
me.
motherly pum pum. Go on, where you
Hey.
go. You control the 2
You go
girls.
on where you go, 'cause every time you see me, go control your jacket. 'Cause every time she see me, she want come jump down. I'm not even afraid of you. You're ugly like. Go on the pro, go control the jacket.
You're lucky, yeah? Oh.
Mr. Girl, hey, one thing though, I'm glad to me I have been chabati cause you know, some me don't grab that woman the long time though, but it's just that we cannot grab her cause I'm a so-called stepmama.
Yes, Kena. And you me come out. Praising Jah
Thank you
Rastafari.
so much, no turn back.
Good afternoon, God. Yes, God. Father God, forgive us. That a code. You me come out.
See what?
Why you disrespect your stepmother? Why you do that? Your sister mother. Why you do that?
Me dear, you did ask me why me do it? You did ask?
How you call me dear?
You did ask me?
Who you they call me dear?
Look here, say that
you look a one guy belly friend.
is it that you take it or
You
you
say for
leave it?
she where you yam me out, your pop style as this me. You want father will work hard to mind you, make you have hairstyle.
Where?
Eh?
Me think you fi shut up. Me think you fi tapping us. Stop
Hello.
embarrass yourself.
Mommy, you come here and see me. What you see me for? Why you?
The one you fi tap broke up my pitney.
Me not work out of
Because
school.
that since she in your company, she chat to me so.
I
I'm will hold you and thump you in front of her. You hear that?
Try now. Try.
Me a one boy, me a ramp with my pitney, yeah?
So you're pitney and me you're pitney and
Me
you
chat to
you're
you.
pitney.
Why you a cut off a woman like that?
He come here.
For your pitney.
He come here. He never say a good morning or nothing, good evening or nothing, good afternoon. He don't say none of that. He never say how you doing. He never ask for you or nothing. You know what she come here and say? Oi, me finally find the little jacket where me did a walk and I look for. And I think come here
Let
and
me ask you
say.
a question. Your jacket?
And that she said, that's why
Why
I
you make
answer
that offend
her.
you?
Me no make it offend me. She come here and I go and like say, she can come here and I try disrespect me. I mean, I go sit down and make nobody
Me
do
go
that
say-
to
me can say
me.
something to you.
Oh, chat.
They always say, if you want good to happen, you know that to run, right?
Well, this one was your running off.
You see, she not gonna bring you far in her life.
Stop blame me,
You
Pitney.
never bring her far in her life.
Because you see you You rather man the two ugly raincoat them or winter coat them where you have up there than forgive me things. Me remember, you know, remember all the time there when me did it and you give them $15,000 every 3 days and you look for me and I can't give me 3 bills and for me never ask you for nothing for so long.
Why me give 3 bills?
Me don't want to know why.
I give your mother the same amount of money, you know. I only give you 3 bills to buy ice cream, you know.
You never give me no 3 bills to buy ice cream. Shut your mouth. Me think if it happen nice. Me think if it happen embarrass yourself.
You need to stay to me daughter company.
You know go
because you see, girl like you will make me daughter belly.
You know have it yet. Remember, why take him so long to have it?
Me don't know if it's a process.
Yes, me.
Because you have to show sign.
You see no symptoms with her.
Me don't know if it's strapping on.
What me I use chop it down?
Oh,
What did I chop down?
You're lucky. Anyway.
Go worry about the raincoat them up here.
Look,
alone,
look on the type of friend we are parried. Friend have in lighter in their waist.
Wait.
Like them a smoke.
Wait.
Nobody hide it. Me don't see the lighter right here, so.
Wait, you see lighter? You see me have lighter? You see me have lighter? You know, say I'm wicked and liar. The better you go on. Girl, me a go down on me head, you know.
Yeah, you can go.
Because I can't manage your father.
Me so come. You know what they say? Oh, me chat to you.
Why you here and make sure
I'm
you say
going.
next week you go down on my sister. Come down there.
She tell me already.
Okay, she have big gift for you all away and you must buy with juice and everything.
Me know.
Make sure you did it.
Yes, me know. I'm going to be there. Because you know what? My man tell me say she gonna do something very iconic because she take my hair and she take it to look wrap them
So, okay. So, she did right then.
Me don't know. Him bigger and lie.
Me did the course anyway, come on for road.
I'm not ready yet.
What me say if you do?
Why one day I go come on, I go slide and spread out, you know. What you go do with that?
Come off of the road. You always tell me not be a father. Come off of the road.
Be a father when you start give me money. When you start take care of me and send me money and everything, then you can be a father and hate me and stuff. But for now, me think if you put that on pause. Me think if you put that on hold. So if you know what Jesus know and what me know, you go, yeah, you can walk with it, but me did that say fling you away and continue walk.
You know why me not lick you? Because the government are very stupid. The government are very fool. Them are idiot. Feel not give the right to open up.
Call government and tell government. That's what you tell me for. I didn't me regulate law.
You see, and the government must be island, you know. When they say we can't lick, you know, because we go to prison, on use the advantage of bad.
Most, no?
I'm going to have man, and that mash up the country and have belly, because we can't lick, you know.
I put that in my head now, because I think about that. I own parents sometimes I put idea in a picnic head. Because sometimes poor picnic them never think about it. Every day I come here, oh, you do this, you do that. So that push them to go do it. Yeah, so me thinking if it happiness and continue going about your business, you know.
Well, for once you're right.
I'm always right. What do you? Go about your business.
You're lucky.
If you do.
You look out there, you get it.
We may not getting nothing.
Yes, hallelujah. What is in the law? Coffee come in at the light. Go on and shake what the good Lord give you. Hey!
The Lord gave me nothing.
He give you everything in your life.
Yeah, that's a life. Why you come over here so early?
Okay. Because you have to come watch the whole of the thing.
Oh.
Hello, my sister-in-law. Hello, my nieces. You know good?
Evening, sister.
Evening.
Me don't know what's so happy about you, you know, but
Oh no, everything good.
Me don't know what they good for.
Oh, it's going to be a blessed evening. My sister-in-law, sit high. You don't want juice?
Because me don't know all of a sudden you don't want me at your yard. I know you want me at your yard. Yes, me with a drink, but do I hope you not true.
See everything will work out. My brother. Nice family get together.
Like that. My sister buy all of them here.
How the dance go? How the dance go?
I'm proud of her. It's a fear, right?
Thank you, brother.
Yeah,
No.
your favorite, you know, so you look hot here. Okay, so I think this is mine, but I'm not really ready for it now because me want to hear the good news and my sister.
You want to hear the good news?
Yes.
Everybody bust them
How
drink.
when
Everybody
you-
have them drink for say cheers for the good news.
Because when we see you buy do DNA and then sit here, so we have to cheers.
Cheers.
Cheers, everybody.
They're the poor this
One big
Yeah,
family.
cool.
One big
Make
family.
it open it and say with cheers.
Listen.
Huh?
No, we cheers
Hurry up,
first.
hurry up,
Cheers.
come on, the fire yard. I don't understand why she called me so early. I walk out
When is my sister spend so much money? You know?
Cause me can't understand this.
I saw you run from good news. All right.
Just set me up.
No, I would never do that.
So
Oh
just
my
try
God.
set me
See?
up.
I would never do that to my sister-in-law.
No, me ain't.
Hold on. All right,
I
we
went
never-
since.
All right,
I
hold
went
on.
since.
We're gonna show you when.
I went since.
We're gonna show you.
What do
when.
you know?
Hold on.
My daughters, them, they are one big happy family. I like that. One big happy family.
One big happy family.
Oh, this big old dirty thinking brown envelope now. I could have watched it.
Huh?
This is adult news, woman to woman news.
Oh.
So you see,
Include me. Me and a woman.
Me drink the water, my throat
my
dry.
sister-in-law. Yes, man, drink your water. Drink your water. Drink your water, sweet. You can. This is to do with you, my sister-in-law. Can read it out there, please, and thanks.
Oh, God. Me like this one big happy family.
Me love
So
it,
you
my
can't live
brother.
there.
Yes.
You can't live there.
Because what is in the dark have to come in the light.
You do use that?
Me do it, brother. Me do it for you because me not want the bag of fight.
Here where you're picking now.
Me know, man.
You all right, my sister-in-law?
Oh, what do you?
You all right?
What do you?
You all right, my sister-in-law?
Yeah, what do you?
You good there?
Yeah.
Cough it up, baby. Don't pay rent.
So why my auntie buy me just say I drink it?
Oh, hush. Where the fuck?
See there?
Mm-hmm.
Negative.
You see that? Negative.
One big family.
Negative.
One big family.
It does say 0.00%.
It said
What it say?
99.9 negative. It's yours.
Negative.
So, mommy,
Yeah.
mommy, which one are we done? Coming, woman, are done.
No, shut your mouth.
But
Nigga.
it's
Listen.
supposed to be
Oh, no, love chat, so.
99.9 positive.
Tell him, my niece.
No, when you do HIV
I'm
test.
positive. Which HIV you know say a DNA test? So what do your ears?
How are you jumping now?
Allow my niece.
Lady.
Allow my niece.
Where you
My
jumping?
blood.
Baby daddy throat
I'm a
back.
blood this.
No.
You know what that mean?
Huh?
You know what that mean?
When
Them one know
Hold
your
on.
name.
Make sure
But
you
them
know
name.
that little girl. Tell them what
You know
it
that
mean.
mean?
We're
You
not
go
your
school, you know
daughter.
that mean? That means so it's not your
So when we do
picnic.
HIV test, it's a negative.
If I
Well,
did
this is
positive now.
DNA test, my brother. You wouldn't believe me no other
Alright,
way.
wait there. If you do HIV test and you say you're negative, that means that you're not having it.
Ah.
If you say 99.9% negative, that means that you're never having it too.
Oh,
So them are not fear.
No, them are not for we. Me tired of the arguments and the fighting and the cussing, brother. And me
know, so
tired
everybody
of you
have this
clown yourself. Yes, brother.
Get up.
Hey, ho.
Get up.
Hey, ho. Heave, ho. Heave. Heave.
What do you mean?
Heave.
Box him,
Heave. Box him, box him, box him.
Wake him up. Why you
Box
run
him.
back? Jesus, what?
Then I want it to me. I can't get it out of me yet. You see? The truth hurts.
What we call it?
So in the car,
I feel sorry for you.
my mother did not go swap.
Let go, girl. Blame it on your mummer. You see your mummer right here picking her? You blame it on your mummer. Your mummer is the one that gives you jacketer. So
Me
excuse
feel
them.
sorry to be God's easy upon them. It's not their fault. Them never asked for none of this.
Right.
Them is the innocent one
So
in the
who are we
this.
So we're not gonna go she.
He better be far up.
He
He
need to
better
wake
be
up
far up.
and
He
go
better
tell we
take
are
care of him.
one
Can
father.
she not Tanya?
I don't know how not gonna manage this. I've been infant just
You have to go roll it.
Take him up.
I drop.
Roll, JJ, roll. Come on, Popeye. lying God left her.
Jesus Christ.
And I forgot phone on a real father for go live.
We don't know real father. How you
the tall maga man. No, the tall maga man. Now I forgot phone police
I
or some
forgot
car.
to final for him because I wouldn't make him dead.
She not dead. I feel pulse.
Look here, no haul him up.
Take him up. No, I feel mama. Hold him up. Hold him up.
Alright, help me take him up.
Roll JJ, roll. Roll 69 there.
Enough for my mama.
Enough for me.
Well, listen.
Roll 69. Oh, Papa, run gone. Kaka fat. Kaka fat.
Who name Peter?
Peter, no bus driver. We run the school bus.
So what kind of text am I him a text?
What?
So you're in love with somebody now?
No, my friend borrow my phone and name Pinky.
Yes, man. James going to come in. When we can. Jesus, somebody dead.
Daddy have to make porridge.
Somebody dead.
Nobody not dead, Daddy. Nobody not dead. Daddy, nobody not dead.
You're a fool. What do you mean, babe? You know, church. Oh, where y'all go with sister? Oh,
sit down. Turn around.
No.
Like money that you can't count.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You want it in Spanish? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Alright, you want me get the lick in Spanish? You want get When would I want your money? So where you not do it for?
I want my money, Papa.
Me tell me don't have your money. Listen.
Papa, where you carry my shape in my house? How you come to do? After you take me $100, you come to come want me?
Man! I want my flash here, pan.
Look
Flash me here, yeah.
Look funny. I come to that yesterday, you know.
So where you cut it?
Flash done.
Why? No!
Move that.
No, me not move. Girl, what this girl? Girl, no! Why?
Hey! God! Shani! Is breathing? No, sir. Chew up. Feel bad. So you dey hide and do it. Tell us, me sorry. Me no, you don't want to hear where they go on here so. Right here so, pick me in a disability and me send it to school and she a breed.
I breathe. Oh.
Good girl, come out. Jesus Christ. Body hand. Mama, when you come get auntie a hug, man. How you do?
Why you socks in their hands?
I fight me.
Why the uniform tear up so?
I fight at school and the girl pop up my uniform.
You beat her?
Yeah.
Boss it.
Where you telling about boss it one?
Touch
Where you
it.
telling about boss it one?
Yes.
I boss your box.
We are.
Why purpose say that?
I know I said, me and my friend, I want to get rich.
Rich.
Yeah.
Which is a must.
I mean, you say you're good. That's what the tell me, boy. You tell me. Yeah.
Rich is a must.
Yeah. So, what me have to do?
Me good enough, man. You don't
Me and my
question
friend.
me. Wait.
You can't deal with it and make me get
Mama,
rich.
no. You hear what go happen, Mama? Rich. You know what is rich?
Mama, you know what is
Kindness.
Obia.
I know,
What is-
Obia.
Obia.
We have to go sacrifice somebody.
See,
Baby.
same thing.
I don't know now we go get it.
You know that.
Mama, we just know say we are go rich.
Listen to me. I'm telling you this today, it's like we're not getting on the hand. By the cook or by the crook, before the ear fit done, what we must be what?
Rich.
You will spin your roll.
For what?
How about that?
Yeah.
What is that? What's that?
What
What kind of dog this, yeah?
Hello. Hello, make me talk. I come like when you come waste time, you know. Me come about money, me want to get rich.
Rich.
Mm-hmm.
Sure, I know I get rich.
Me don't know about them, I know about me. Rich, me want to get rich. Mm-hmm.
Nobody say nothing. Pick like in the liquor, tools, or food.
Anything.
Anything.
Thank you.
So long they take to come back.
No, them now come back and they can't get my this before me. I mean, they can't come. So come back.
Alright.
See me. We are telling me, mama. Hey. See me carry girl come. position. Mr. Mikara, non-virgin, God, hubby man, you get on the virgin. I don't do behind people back. You hear, wait. You hear? Audio. Good. What is it? What's she idiot? What's she idiot? Nothing happen. Me pray. Mama! Why? Jesus, wait. Wait. Me can't move. Why? Hey. What? God, me better. I'm if you move. Me foot. Come here. Jesus, I need you now.
Little girl, stop it.
Jesus.
Stop it, little girl. Stop it. Stop it.
Jesus.
The bag back up it me.
Tell my money.
Rich. I'm rich. I get money. I'm rich. Kayla. Where rich sister?
Shani's rich.
Where rich?
Shani's money.
Where money that girl?
Dive in there, man. I see if you can dive in this.
Well, that boy. Hi.
Hey, why make you not come to school?
I'm gonna question that. The same thing she come ask me, you ask me. You know, see the difference. You know, see my nose pierced. You don't see I haven't touched sale. You don't see.
Oh, sorry, my bad. I do not want to be inquisitive or, as Jamaicans would say, no.
Wait. Can you just click in my brain? Can I cover my brain in the way? How much tell the man say how much?
18 hours.
You know say a lie. You is a liar, Christian. You know say Christian don't tell lie.
Look who attack. You just tell the man say you're 19.
I'm not a Christian. You is a Christian, and Christian should not lie.
Everybody lie. Tony, can't remember talking.
Where are you, sir?
No, girl.
What you mean, no?
This down there, I take some fresh air.
Oh, because you can't take it on your veranda, your yard.
Yo, where are you with?
Oh, this is a job one.
I am same one.
Where are you with?
So, I'm here going to them.
We speak to them.
You know, sir?
You don't see a woman and her friend.
Where woman?
She. Yeah?
And her friend?
Yeah? You're blind?
Me know me can't see clear, my boy.
How much? You know how old she be? Yeah. How old she be? 19. Listen, 19. I thought you walk around to the man them say you put on tattoo and pay it up. And you have broke up with that, sir? I can't take off your gun. Hey, over here go. That idiot, you ever see me gun? You ever see me gun?
Serious boy, I go rush me, I know.
Batty boy,
Show them boy or something.
Right now, a batty boy.
Must swallow, boy. Must swallow.
What's that boy? How you go?
Baby, me I go. It's too me dirty dog. You don't have time for me, you know. So I left.
How you mean if me not have time for you? You me a call look for?
Yeah, come look for me, you know. When last I come look for me? When last I come over here, Timmy?
I work.
Sick. You have vomit?
Yeah.
And you're warm? Jesus Christ, you have vomit. You know what that? You know what that's called pregnancy. Sign of pregnancy. Vomit, fever, flu. Girl, I will breed you. Who find time breed you?
Boy.
One man. And I see a man let me see you with.
Yeah.
Jesus Christ, and you tell me that your friend. Look, girl.
And I just see when I tell him I can talk about how it are mine, because he not no more.
Ah! How it all mine? In all the money. You hear me, son? I'm sick right now myself. Me feel like I'm pregnant too. So you pregnant, me pregnant. Cause you look like me pregnant with you. Cause you hear me, son? You hear me, son? And for me, have you either. I maintain it for your baby because you murder your mother at birth.